Cool.
We are live.
Hello, everybody.
I think Cheer was there already. And there's Barebones as well. Welcome, Barebones! Yes, it is. Yes, it is, Barebones. Yes, well, so far it's two, but we're waiting for the third one. I'm out without my pants. Amy, I don't know, but yeah, we're just waiting. Yeah, let's give him a hard time when he shows up. Like, we've been waiting you for a whole minute. Where were you? Sakura! In the house! Oh man, I'm cold. Alright, I'm gonna go make a drink real quick, check the quality of the stream, and tweet it. I'll be right back. Like
Yeah.
30 seconds, be right back.
No problem. Okay, so Vloggy's voice is very faint. We need to sort that out then. Could be Discord being the issue. Let's have a look. Yes, it is. There we go. It should be better now. He's probably going to be louder than me now. Yeah, we're doing the voice chord. It was halfway on the Discord, so...
And he's back.
Oh my god!
He's back. Okay, so. Oh man. Okay, I hope the floor's not too cold. I like to sit on the floor. I know it's weird, but I get invited to people's houses and I sit on the floor. Like when we were watching TV or something, everybody's on the couch. I like to sit on the floor. And it's not weird. I don't think it's weird. It's just that you know, have you seen Big Bang Theory? How Raj always sits on the floor when he eats?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that. It's like that. I like to sit on the floor. I don't know. And everybody thinks it's weird. And even now, I have a perfectly good couch right behind me. Yeah, I sit on the floor. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Anyhow, so I hope it's not too cold. If it's too cold, I'll just hop on the couch.
They still can't hear you. It's not your problem. Don't worry about that. It's my problem.
Oh no, but they need to hear my lovely voice.
I know. They're going to hear it. Don't worry. Yeah.
Anyway, so let's see who's in chat. There was Barebones already. I said hi to him. There's Sakura. There's Angelo. Welcome, Angelo. And then there's Emily. Hello, Emily. I really had a great time playing Resident Evil 7 this morning. Oh man, it was so good. The update. It was so good. It's just amazing. It's really satisfied my Resident Evil hunger. You know, it wasn't like... People are gonna complain, it looks like nothing like Resident Evil 6 or 5 or 4. And they'd be right, because it's not. But it's gonna look like Resident Evil 1. True is making breakfast. What?
Oh my god.
I'm gonna take a sip. Hold on.
Yeah.
I might as well just create a room right away.
Okay. So still hearing you. I'm in OBS. I'm actually using OBS this time because of the issues last time. Okay.
Here's what was going on. I was playing Resident Evil, going through rooms and stuff, and then one of these creatures showed up, and I went ah, a bit loud, and I scared everyone in chat.
Awesome.
Oh man. But those creatures really satisfied my hunger for survival horror, because that's how it should be. A creature approaching you, you have a gun, even though you have like 15 bullets, they're not enough, the creature is too powerful. It's so good. It's just so good.
Okay.
You are in trouble now. Why am I in trouble, Angelo? Why am I in trouble? Jill Gomez is awesome. Welcome. I killed your ears. I killed your ears with what? Sorry. I killed your... I'm behaving now. I'm trying to keep a good volume.
how's your mic volume in Discord?
My volume in Discord. I don't know. I have no idea. You tell me. I don't know.
Well, everything on my side is full blast.
I don't know what I'm gonna say helps because you're using different setup than mine, but the Discord audio, is it to your headphones right now?
Yeah.
So when you set up the output for OBS, but again I'm using OBS, the old one basically, you need to tell him, listen, I need to capture the audio on the headphones. That's how I did it.
Alright, okay, let me try that.
I set up like my microphone, which is the headphones, because it's a headset, and then I told him, listen, whatever comes out of the TV, so that's Outbreak, and then whatever comes out of the headphones, so that's you and True. So that's how I'm capturing. I have like 3 bars.
Okay. Just disconnecting from OBS and connecting again.
Okie doke. Hey, Varo! I'm here placing a bet. If Vloggy's gonna say, Amy, I don't say grab my pipe. I don't say Amy grab my... No, I don't say that. No. I say take. Take. And there's a difference. Yes, tell me, Angelo. Tell me. I really want to know. As long as it's appropriate, doesn't make me feel uncomfortable. Alright, room list. Let's see.
Let's see if it's working.
I wish Rage could join us. I mean, I wish he could join us, but at the same time, it's like I'm sure we're gonna disappoint him. We're gonna slow him down because he plays on super hard or very hard, whatever. What? We can't even finish this on easy. Hey, Pixel Soft. Hi. Long time no see. Nice to see you. So room title. Alright, I got some time to kill while True joins. So I'll just name the room. Why not?
I'll tell you my settings, right? I've got video capture device.
So you're talking about video.
Yeah. And audio input capture. And my normal mic.
Are you using the classic OBS like the one I'm using?
Yeah, no, it's the OBS studio.
Oh, so I can't really.
I wonder if it's to do with Discord. Output device. Earphones. Try that.
What's that?
Look who it is! Oh my goodness! No way! He's here. We've been waiting for like ages. We're kidding.
She's like, I'm gonna show up.
Welcome through. Everybody say hello to True. Everybody in chat. Everyone say hello to True.
There's
Hi,
everybody.
True.
There's everyone in
Hi. Yeah, that's everyone.
No, everyone in chat. I mean, everyone in chat. I like the entrance you made. Alright, so.
Dang it, I updated OBS already.
I never update OBS. I never update OBS. Never, ever. And because the thing is this, you update OBS. I mean, it's working now. I don't know what's gonna happen after I update. Sometimes things stop working after updating. I hate that so much.
Yeah.
Man. Can you increase their mic volume? Sure. I'm going to increase their mic volume. Hold on. Alright. Boy and girl, speak up. Let's see if they can hear you better now.
Girl here. Hello. Oh, my Amy.
That's a very good impression of Amy. No, I'm gonna be Amy. Oh, bugger, cabbage. and Bosco and Copper.
Oh my god.
Oh man. Now I'm gonna be True. Ceiling fan, where's the ceiling fan part?
I don't know what you're talking about.
So hang on, because earlier Angelo said something in chat. He was telling me something. Hold on, I missed it. First off, I like you number 2. I know the answer for RE7 demo. Uh,
Oh,
okay. First off, I like you number 2. I know the answer for the Devil 2 demo. Everything. Okay, I know what you mean, Angelo. I think I got both endings. I think there's only 2 endings. I got both of them. It's so amazing. The endings are so fantastic. Even the demo has a good ending and a bad ending. It's so good. I think I got both endings though. I think there's nothing else. Well, there's the dummy finger. What's going on in chat? Are we
Oh my
missing?
god.
Are we missing something?
I don't know.
What's going on?
It's okay, I just managed to sort the voice out, and all I'm getting is like a vloggy being repeated over and over again. It's so funny.
And why does it have to be? Because I'm the one that talks the most. I'm sorry, guys. I am sorry. Okay, here's a good impression of me. That's a good impression of me. You see, I can do me. Okay. I created the room if anyone wants to join. We're gonna do Hellfire again because last time me and Amy almost finished it. You know how many times it crashed for us, True?
Oh yeah, I tried watching you guys last time. Yeah.
Oh,
And,
yeah.
Yeah.
It crashed so many times when you and I played, and I really kind of gave up. But then
Yeah.
we were like, let's give it a try. And the game was stable. The scenario was completely stable.
wow.
Nobody collapsed and died, and we almost made it to the end. Remember, we almost made it to the
I
end.
know, we were so close. That was annoying.
Oh man, we made it to the main hall. We were just trying to power up the electricity. We powered it up. We were there. We just became zombies because we wasted a lot of time. I hope it doesn't happen again. Angelo says there's more to Resident Evil 7. Interesting.
Hey vloggy,
Yo.
just for 1 minute.
Yeah.
Just
Shut up.
quiet. Can't hear.
I don't think I can do that, but we'll see.
I don't know. It's gonna take that's gonna take an act of God here. How are we gonna get Vloggy? Man, you guys like all live and stuff already? I thought Amy was gonna be late, so I was like taking my time. Way to lie to me, Amy.
Oh, sorry. No, we're only setting up anyway. It's no big deal. So everyone can hear now, I think, which is good. And you can
good.
speak now, Vloggy. It's fine.
Ah. Wow, that was the hardest thing I ever done.
Really? Oh,
I
wow.
was worried. I was worried for a minute.
Ah, that was so bad. Okay, whew, I'm back. Alright, so,
Cool.
I missed you guys. Alright, I created the room if anybody wants to go in. It's ready. The room is ready.
Well,
Okay,
I'm
I just gotta
logging
connect.
now.
Connect.
Who else is streaming? Are you streaming, Amy?
Yep.
Can I be heard?
Yep, I'm streaming.
Yeah, I can be heard. Hello, everyone. Hello. Are you streaming, True?
I'm gonna, but really just to test out if I can stream at all.
Hmm.
'Cause it was garbage last time.
Maybe if
So
you spend
no
time.
cam.
Maybe if you spend less time climbing mountains, all right, or whatever you're doing.
I know. Yeah, my legs are so sore. That was yesterday, by the way. That picture.
I saw the picture. I'm like, there's no way he's gonna be home in time.
Yeah, that was. Oh man. You couldn't even tell, but there was like 50-mile-an-hour winds. I was leaning all the way forward there, so I wouldn't fall backwards. You couldn't really tell from that picture.
I was gonna try. There's no way that's not you. We can't tell it's you. I'm sorry, that's not you.
Yeah, I know. Picture didn't happen, and that's like the face mask on. Sorry, I didn't want my face to freeze off with hypothermia.
Was it really cold? Was it like?
Oh yeah. It was like with wind chill. It was like, well, you have Celsius. It was 20 degrees like Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is for you guys.
All right. No, I
Like,
can imagine. Yeah, that's quite
cold.
cold. Yeah, that's quite cold.
Cool. And yes, guys, I'm on my PlayStation 3 playing this.
Oh yeah, I
I'm
need
not
to.
signed in.
Somebody
Oh,
did ask me
bollocks.
about how do I record my console. This is not a console. This is well, for me, for Amy it is, or because she's gonna say it. She's gonna say it, so I might as well say it myself. She's on console. Yes, she's playing it on the PS3 and she got it online. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't
we're,
know
We're
how.
still friends with her despite she's playing on console.
It's amazing that we can do that. Huh?
Yeah.
We're playing it on emulator. She's playing it on console. It's just wow. We invented crossplay. There you go.
I know. The companies couldn't do it, but we did it. Whatever.
Hang on a second. It didn't. Refresh page. See if that works. Normally it auto lock. There we are. We are in. I hate having to write with the PlayStation 3 pad.
You guys have 7 minutes to get in. Take your time.
Okay.
No.
Get us 7 minutes. Fucking hurry up.
You know what? You know what? I wasn't
rushing.
able to name the room properly. It's help me It's help me It's not help me please. It's annoying me.
Help me, Clut.
You know, if Lord Rage goes in
all
right
got
now and he
bit
sees
by
a
a
room,
zombie.
if Lord Rage goes in right now and he sees a room says help me, he's gonna be like, that's them. It's that. It's gotta be them.
Definitely them.
I think Rage is asleep. He's been up all night.
Yeah, he was playing RE7 as well.
Oh, Matt killed it last night with Resident Evil 7.
Oh my
Oh my
goodness!
god, yeah.
Oh, I didn't go in, but I kept refreshing my homepage and I kept seeing his views and his sub
Yeah,
numbers. I'm like,
awesome.
his subs are going up. That's perfect. No, you know, it's amazing. It's amazing how it's all about, because once you start getting your views up, you know, and you're gonna get featured on the main page of the YouTube Gaming. That's it. You've had it, because everybody's gonna click on your name now once you make it to the top. It's amazing. He went up to 2.3k people watching. It's amazing.
Whoa.
2.3k people watching. That's fantastic. That's amazing.
Yeah,
Yes.
That's crazy.
fantastic,
That's
yeah.
amazing.
He
So
deserved it.
So they upgraded the demo to like actually have endings now, like other endings.
Yes,
Is
there
that
are
the
proper
deal?
endings now. There's an infected ending where you you make it out. Well, you almost make it out, but the infection just kills you. You don't make it out on time. And then there's another one where you don't get infected and you make it out. But then it tells you, like, I don't know if I'm spoiling it. Should I continue saying? I don't continue saying no, but it's a very Resident Evil-ish ending, and I'm not talking about Resident Evil 6 or 4 or 5. No, it's a Resident Evil 1 ending. It's good. It reminds me of one of those endings where you made it, you survived, you get on the helicopter, and the mansion didn't blow up. So that's
What's
not.
the password?
Oh, sorry, 5432.
Okay, thanks.
So like you made it out, but the mansion didn't blow up, and afterwards you get the tyrant's eye opening, like he's still there lurking. This is not the good ending. Yeah. All right, so I've got 2 in now. Probably me and Amy. We're waiting
Yeah.
through. We're waiting. Take your time.
Hi, Foxy. Hi, people. Hi, Jill. Hi, Cheer. Hi, everybody else that I haven't seen. Oh, hi, Shiny. Hi, Vloggy.
Hello, it's me.
Hi, George. Help me, please.
Help me, please. Please
I'm
help.
very disappointed that I didn't get my heart podge working. I wanted to sell that for a bit of extra money for Christmas because I spent that much money on capture cards and stuff. Got no money to buy presents now.
I can chat. I'm not sure how, but I can chat. How does one
Help me,
chat?
please.
There it is.
Well, I hope everybody can hear me okay, and the game, and Vloggy, and True.
Alright, here we go. It's so weird. It's so weird that they don't have a QWERTY
Hey, cheers.
keypad.
We don't have a what?
Vloggy. Cabbage.
We don't have a what?
That's been quite a hit on the internet.
Super Crier in the house. Hey Crier, welcome.
Vloggy.
Help me, please! Front and center! Front and center!
I was playing Galarians the other day. I'd forgotten how to play it, so I thought I'll have a quick play. Unfortunately, I had a bit of an episode, so I didn't manage to get past the first bit, and I was thinking, fucking hell, me and him resemble something. Our heads go fucking weird. And go, "Ah!" You remember Galarian?
No,
No, on the PlayStation 1, it's got someone called Rio in.
I have no idea. So many games, so many games. Yeah, I always play the same ones. That's the thing. I own so many games, I haven't played them even once. My Steam library, my PSN library, my actual physical library. Man, not enough time. VloggyBuddy, I make a deal. Make me a deal, Angelo. Make me deal.
Uh-oh.
What's for breakfast?
Yeah,
What did you have
yeah.
for breakfast, Drew? What did you have for breakfast?
I am currently drinking my giant protein shake for breakfast right now.
There you go. I need to buy one actually. You just reminded me I need to buy one as well. I need to buy one. Jack Hammer's in the house. Oh, Jack, you missed it this morning. This morning. Yeah, it was your morning as well. We're on the same time zone. You missed it this morning. I streamed Resident Evil 7 the demo, and it's so good, man. And I was wondering what type of gun I was holding. I'm like, where's Jack Hammer? I need his guidance on this gun. Apparently, it's the same gun. Apparently, it's the same gun that Kevin uses in this game. Apparently, from what somebody told me, I forgot. I think it was Sapphire that told me that. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, it was such a good game. My goodness.
Hi, Cryer.
Alright, I am.
I've only just opened up your chat, Vloggy.
I'm logging in.
Okay, it's 5, 4, 3, 2 the password once you get it. 5, 4,
Okay.
3, 2. 5, 4,
5,
3,
4.
2, 1. Chicken system.
Battery.
Connected.
Alright,
Battery connected. Oh, true, you have 2 minutes to make it.
Okay, I'll make it.
Battery connected.
There is not enough power to.
Activate system. I know it by heart. It's amazing. And last summer, I was having a night out, and I got home about 2 a.m. And I'm like, oh man, I promised the stream tonight. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna stream. When I got home, you know, I was half. I'm not gonna say half drunk, but it was kind of tipsy. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna stream. I'm gonna stream at 2 a.m. And I started playing Resident Evil 3. And I hadn't played it in like, I think it must have been a decade. I think. Oh man, I didn't finish it. I died. It was like 7 a.m. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna start over. There's Amy in chat. Hi, Amy. And there's Levy. Hi, Levy. If I get a live stream with the demo, I will show you what you don't know. Alright, I'll probably look it up. I'll probably look up on the interwebs now. Now you're making me... 50 seconds left.
I'm joining. I'm entering lobbies.
I don't think you're gonna make me have to cancel. I think I'm gonna have to cancel the... Almost there. I don't think you're gonna...
And I ruined this.
You fucked it up, haven't you?
No. What happened? No. What happened? Help me, please!
Yep.
Please help me! I'm gonna have to cancel this stream. Do I cancel it? We've got 20 seconds. Are you gonna make it?
I'm definitely not gonna make it.
Alright. Alright. No probs.
Damn.
No probs. Setting it up again.
Yeah, way to go, Amy.
Good one.
It's okay, guys. We're gonna start soon. Amy's just a little behind.
Like that. Alright. Hold on. Alright. I hate that they don't have a QWERTY keyboard. It's so weird.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Every single Resident Evil game. The Umbrella Lab computers. What's wrong? What do you have against QWERTY keyboards?
Is my volume okay in mine?
Yes. Wait. Okay. Alright. Alright, the room is ready again. The password is 1234.
Oh, nice.
There it is.
Wow.
Hey, I don't appreciate that room title.
I want to bring your streams up as well, so I see what's it like over there. But I'm scared because I don't want to drain the bandwidth. I'm scared that it will affect something.
Yeah, I have both your
As long as
streams
your
up.
upload's okay, it shouldn't interfere with your download.
Really?
I'm inside. I'm gonna start streaming here.
But
All right,
I
we're
don't
ready.
think,
It's 3 people. Everyone's in, yeah?
yeah,
All right.
I don't think Outbreak takes too much. So hopefully it should be okay. I compensated it by 500 kilobytes.
Huh. I'm gonna start the game. 3, 2, 1. Here we go.
Oh.
Here we go. Hashtag True's fault. Did you see the name of the...
Yeah, I did. I seen it.
Look at the characters. Look at the characters.
Some other true. But which one are we doing?
What?
Okay, if you remember last time, we struggled to find the
dang
room
it.
with the gold key.
Oh, remember how long it took us to find the gold key?
Yeah.
No, it took us
Whenever we,
forever
like-
to find. Yeah, the room. Yeah, wow. Okay, we need to be efficient with time because virus is what killed us last time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave the cutscene on because it's the first time playing it, so let's leave it. Why not?
What? Wait, this is Hellfire?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Oh man.
Oh man, come on, we can do this. We can do this.
Then we can do this.
We can
If we don't, it's all Jackhammer's fault. I'm gonna blame Jackhammer.
Sorry, Jackhammer. It's your fault today. Go ahead, Chair. What's your suggestion?
Hey, is anybody there?
Oh,
Len, you take downstairs.
zombie outbreak. Why are you still fighting fires? Run away.
It's
They're
gonna
trying to rescue
blow!
people, I guess. I don't know.
Get out!
It's gonna blow! I like that subscribe. Team True Vlo Aim.
Blow him. Blow him.
Vlo True Vloam. True Vloam. It's Team True Vloam.
Okay, cool. Oh, I'm loaded up before you. Oh, sorry.
I'm still not loaded. Alright, I'm in now. There we go.
What happened?
PlayStation 3 high.
It's true, it's faster, definitely faster. Are you there? Help me please. There he is. Help me please!
Well, help me please let you know
Ready?
what I have here.
Let's go.
Well, let me equip it.
Oh, I didn't equip the gun. I always forget to equip the gun. According to Jack, according to Jack, it's a called 1911. But in the game, I remember it saying it's a called 19. I don't know. There's a pipe, Amy. I'm gonna give you a pipe. There's the pipe.
Like you got that good pipe.
But I got a problem, huh? The pipe is a bit bent. My pipe is not. It's crooked. Curved. It's curved. It's a curved pipe.
Yeah, that's
Gave you a-
okay. We don't judge here. You can have a good pipe.
Oh, we had to check the guide. We had to check the guy dying, I think. Oops, we forgot. There we go. Oh man. This is Danny.
Excuse me.
I need a favor from you, True. I need you
Yes,
to
sir.
say, help me
Huh?
please.
What?
Please say it!
This is my morning. Help me, please. All right.
But I need to be standing next to you so I can hear it. I need to be standing next to you so I can hear it. It can be heard from my screen. Hold on. It has to happen. I need to hear it.
See.
Okay, say it.
Please help!
Not that one.
Please help me! Help me, please!
Good.
That one!
I need help up the elevator. I mean the ladder.
Oh, my
I
head's
need
up
to
your
get
bum.
points so I can unlock my bunny outfit.
I heard you have it last time.
Yeah, I thought you had it last time. Oh, yeah, because now you're playing it
On
just
the console.
on the console, you know? She's playing it legit now.
Yeah, I'm playing it.
Oh, now you're not a cheater.
Help me, please.
Please help! So good.
So this level is zombie behind us to the right. I mean the left, whatever area.
Watch out,
They're
watch
shooting
out.
each other.
I'm just taking a walk.
Vloggy, do.
Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, my pipe.
Watch out, watch out. There we go.
Did you
Is he
break
gone?
Vloggy's pipe?
She broke. She slammed my pipe. Like, ow.
You slammed this pipe so hard.
Yeah.
Sorry.
She rejected. Like, no. I think it's this way, yeah? It has to be
Yeah,
this way.
sure. We all walk in the
I'm
door.
in. Okay. Oh, was there a liquor in here?
Yeah, but he's gonna be behind fire. I mean, if you get really close to it, it will hurt you. No, not here. It's not here. This
Oh
way.
yeah, not here.
This way. Let's check out this room real quick before we step outside.
Yeah, good idea.
Because usually we just head straight to the window.
Yeah, because don't forget the pictures that we had to do. They all
Oh,
actually switched
those
down, I think.
pictures. Oh man. Somebody, I think it's best that somebody stays in the room. What do you think? Should it be me? Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out, watch out, watch out, guys. The zombie just teleported. Hold on, hold on.
Oh, it's a teleporting zombie. It's going right. It wants
Yeah.
Amy's blood.
It's-
I want that.
Did the zombie follow you?
I found something. I found a pipe. I found a pipe.
There you go. She can
Taking
do.
a stranger's
She can do
pipe
better.
from
You
that
see, she can do better. Is it crooked? I gave her a crooked one. There's
No,
nothing
no.
notable in the closet.
Your pipe comes with love, so
Exactly. Exactly.
tasty cookies. I will take tasty cookies. I'm fat.
Nothing in here?
Nah, nothing. Okay, we're good.
There's tasty
Well, hang
cookies
on.
in there.
No, there's nothing in
Thank
here.
you.
Shit.
Move it.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
you were in the bathroom, so there would be shit. That makes sense.
Oh man. Let's go.
Oh man. Oh, this part.
This part, yeah. Ooh, I found an herb. First come, first served. No, but seriously, I mean,
Herbage.
I'm gonna the herbage. Ah, I missed that phrase, herbage or word. It's a word, herbage. I'm gonna keep it, but if anybody needs it, combine.
Okay. Oh man, this is the part where I fell off and Vloggy totally stepped on my fingers like a true friend.
Amy, there she is. She's
Yeah.
coming. She's coming. Okay, I'm waiting for her.
Yeah.
Wait, watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Stop! 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 Give him time. Give him time to do this thing. Hold on. Come on.
Amy,
There
you
we
go
go.
test the window? Oh, okay.
Oh, we should have sent Amy.
Go see how
Actually, Amy, you go first now. You go first now, Amy. You go around the corner
yeah,
first.
Amy, take care of business. I
Yeah,
feel like
you lead us. You lead the way.
you're prepared with that mic.
Come on,
Thank
move it. Move it. Move it.
I'm moving, I'm moving, I'm
Move
moving.
it, move it.
Oh,
That's-
Drew's gonna
that's-
get it.
that's-
Drew's gonna get it.
Yeah.
Drew's
I'm
gonna
not
get it.
I'm not gonna get it. That's it.
Snatch the
My
herbage.
character learns his lessons.
Help! Help me!
Yeah,
Help me, please!
never.
No, I can't.
Oh, she's on never.
Oh my god. And the subtitles just no, I can't.
Let's go.
Mark!
So funny. My face hurts from laughter.
Oh, how are you saying our names?
Oh my god!
I think. Hold on.
Mark, look
There was
out!
a way.
Thanks. Mark! Here! Mark!
How
Help
are you
me!
gonna say that?
Cindy!
Oh, we're going
You
here.
have. I hold L2. No, I have to go down. You hold L2. L2, and then.
Oh!
You're doing it.
You press, hold L2 and that gives you a load of other options
Yeah.
when you
Yes.
press the right analog
All
stick.
right!
Oh, don't leave me behind. Help me.
Help me!
Yes.
Guys, don't worry, okay? I got a gun with 4 rounds in it. We're
4
good.
rounds? Oh.
I've got 4
Hey.
rounds.
Kevin.
Take on the
Kevin.
tyrant.
Yo.
Vloggy,
Yo,
Vloggy.
yo.
Quick turn.
Oh, quick turn dance. Come on, line up.
Oh,
Line up for a
God,
quick turn
it's
dance.
good.
3, 2, 1.
Nope,
Come
that's-
on, dance. Come on,
Why
dance.
can I never do this?
It's quick turn. You press back.
Help!
I was pushing on door there.
You're not gonna open it.
Push on
You're
the
not gonna
Oh,
open
hi.
it. Yeah, this is how we're gonna finish the game. Fooling around. Yeah, and our virus is going up.
Hi, Mark. Well, it's not Mark, it's Mac Knight. Sorry, I
What's
read
up,
it's Mark.
Dada Ro? How you doing?
Okay.
There's a boo-boo there, over there. Hang on, hold on, hold on.
Oh,
Let me take care of this.
away!
I have this.
Oh shit.
Oh, way to go! I mean, let us to death.
Is he gone?
Oops, I only put my gun. That's bad.
This one's empty,
I
bro.
think we need a key card, right?
Yeah, let's go. I only have like what, 2 bullets left. Let's go.
Oh, what's it? Hang on a second. A map of this town. Yeah, okay.
Hey, Dada, welcome. Dada's here.
Hi, Dada. Dada.
Da 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 da. That's good. That's a very good one.
I haven't seen you in ages, Dada.
I'm gonna hide in these closets.
I found an herbage. If anybody wants it.
Oh wait, I'm too
45
fat.
rounds here.
I like that you make that
Oh,
joke
I
every
got
single
yours.
time. Oh wait, I'm too fat.
No stream, no video today. True. Or,
Oh, we've got a back.
You are streaming, right?
Oh,
True. Are you streaming?
I'm streaming, but no video.
No video. What?
I know. I gotta see it. Like last time, my stream couldn't even handle like running normally. So
So you're just streaming audio, us talking? Is that it?
just audio. I'm
Seriously?
like you guys. Hey, you guys never cam with me. All right, I'm all alone when I cam.
No wait. So you're streaming the game? You mean you're streaming the game?
I'm streaming.
Okay. Because for a
I
second.
think there's rounds over there, right? Those are
I think they're mine. Hold on. 45.
Yeah.
Combine. Let's see. Yes, reloading. Reloading.
Oh, bullet!
Like in Left 4 Dead. Reloading.
Wait, what's this on the floor?
Da 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 Batman.
Hold on, my characters. Oh, Len's ID tag. I don't care about you, Len. You're a dead firefighter.
It's over.
Okay, we'll go for here.
Let's go.
Oh, excuse me.
I feel like a sneeze is coming, guys. Uh-oh. I'm gonna
Oh,
sneeze.
No,
I'm gonna sneeze.
My ears. Oh,
I'm
no,
gonna
my-
sneeze in I'm gonna sneeze
Let
in
it
everyone's
go.
faces, I think. I feel it coming. Grab the herbage. Amy, there's an herbage over there. Grab it!
Oh my god.
Everybody has herbage, except for you.
Sweet herbage.
My,
Actually, she does have
headphones
herbage.
back on.
No, I'm not gonna sneeze. It's going away now. We scared it. Is there
Aw.
is there a zombie? Cause
Yeah, welcome.
he's turning around.
Oh, yep, this is a zombie. Ah, oh, bullets.
Pow pow pew pew pew.
Oh, Amy did
Oh,
a nice
hang on,
hit.
hang on.
Oh, he's not dead. Ow. Oh,
Oh wow, I missed. He's down.
the zombie is taking a lot of bullets.
Ah, I think this is that door. Hey, what room are we on? Oh no. Oh,
What floor?
there's only
What
one.
floor? With the floor we're on is second floor.
Oh,
I'm in the
only
boiler
room
management
that's
office.
fire.
There's only one room that you can go to, so.
Do I follow you guys? Well, yeah, that's the only room.
It's the only way.
There was another pipe on the floor earlier. It's true. Sakura's right. There was another pipe. Get down. Another
Herbs.
pipe.
Anybody want another herb?
No, but you can keep
you
it
can-
for you know.
Did you combine it? Oh, shotgun rounds.
Ooh, nice.
Anybody got a shotgun?
No, not yet, but keep them because we are gonna get a
hold on to
shotgun
it.
soon enough.
Vloggy is mad.
Hi, Brett. Brett Ninja. What's that then?
Brett Ninja.
Security card. Got a security card.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
I can't pick it up.
I'm kicking it up. I'm coming. I'm coming. VloggyBuddy to the rescue. Let's go.
I have like nothing. My character's waiting for sandwiches and Twinkies. He's hungry.
So we have to go back to almost the beginning, yeah? Pretty much.
Yeah.
Alright. Watch out for the zombies and let's go.
Ooh. Sakura FX. We're all infected.
We're all infected, Sakura. We're all infected. This game is pretty much timed. We all have a time limit.
I got my stream alerts on, like yours, Vloggy.
No, I don't have them now on this old OBS. Ah, okay. No, I don't have them on the old OBS.
I managed to get mine sorted, but I've not seen it work yet.
It's been a while because I remember helping you out a while ago. You were asking me about and I was telling you what I did and stuff.
They're Bosco ones, aren't they? I had one snorting and
Oh, good! Oh, good. I was thinking, before, initially when I set up my alerts, they were like, you get the merchant, he goes, welcome, and he just welcomes everyone who subscribes.
Oh, this door's about to open with a zombie. I'll hold it.
Let's go, I opened it.
Hold it. Oh, it's opening the other way!
wait, my god, my god!
So, what was I gonna say?
Whoa,
Come on, follow me!
Yeah. Amy,
Alright, you
how
made
you
it.
doing? You totally should have followed us.
Cabbage, please!
Cabbage.
Oh, this is the room in which we need something. We need the gem or something here? I forgot.
Oh, I just know this is the room where I think we fell down and died. Oh, shotgun. Hello.
The hole. Yeah, we need the gem. We need the gem here for sure. Where's Amy?
Wait for me!
I don't know where it is, Amy. Amy?
It's just that
Where you
door we
be?
unlocked. Come on, Ames.
Yeah, it's the security door.
Oh, where are you? Because you went.
That door I unlocked with the key card. The door I unlocked.
Okay, we're coming back out.
He's coming to get you. I'm gonna chill here. You know, I'm gonna chill here. You know me. I'll just make sure that this room is fine.
Secure that room, Vloggy.
I'm gonna secure this room.
I
I am going to secure this room. I got this.
The zombie.
I got this.
Dun.
I don't think I need-
Oh, I'm lost.
I'm gonna
Amy,
take
where'd
this.
you go? Why aren't you in this hallway even?
I'm in Northwest Passage 2.
Well, I don't know where that is. I'm running in a hallway and there's totally zombies trying to kill me.
Okay, I'm coming through the door that we've just unlocked.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Run.
Okay. I was gonna say something and I forgot what it was.
Now I'm in the hallway by myself.
Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull a joke now. I'm gonna pull a joke. Hold on, I'm gonna pull a joke now. Oh man, you came in. I was gonna hold your door.
Hey!
I was gonna hold your door, but you made it in.
I tried to
Everybody in
hold the
chat
door.
hear me okay?
This is the way. This is the room. This is the door we have to go through now. We need the gem so we can unlock this. Look, Amy, remember this? This way. You remember this statue over here? We put
Yeah.
some sort of something here. Yeah, and we need to unlock that door. So that's our priority. Let's go.
Help me, please! Help me, please!
Yes.
Help me, please.
I tried to hold the door against the zombie, but then it just opened inward.
Yeah,
instead of outward.
it doesn't prevent the zombie from going in. There's a small chance that the zombie gives up, but the chance is small. He will still go in. You will just slow him down.
Yeah.
Whoa. Zombie in
Where
here.
are you? Hey, where are you?
What's going on? I just came out. I'll save the day. Where's everyone? I'm coming.
Whoa, there's another one coming for you. Move.
Whoa! Zombie's teleporting. Hold on.
Shotgun.
Watch out behind you.
Amy, did you just hit me?
No.
Because if it were up to Amy. All right, which door are we gonna start from? We start this door.
Yeah.
Let's start this
Yeah.
door. Okay. All right. True has a shotgun. Yeah, he's the man. He's the boss. Let's hang out with True. Let's let True carry us.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it's the stairway. Okay.
Oh, we going up?
Okay. Which? Do you remember which floor it was? The puzzle.
Oh.
I
Wait, that
think
the picture
it's
puzzle?
Yeah.
upstairs.
Upstairs. Let's go. This part reminds me of Resident Evil 1: The Mansion.
Yeah, it
The
does.
remake. The remake though. The remastered mansion.
With all
Yeah.
the pictures.
Yeah.
Oh
Exactly.
yeah. Yeah, creepy atmosphere.
Mhm.
Oh, zombie right next to us.
Okay, Jack. Enjoy the chicken. Watch out for the zombie.
Whoa!
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Underneath the shotgun.
Oh, the fire got me. Nice.
Look.
Nice one.
All right, now where do we go?
Fire safety first. Oh, I
Well, we can't go across there.
smell a
No,
lick.
we can't go
can
through
we?
here.
No, we can't.
Let's check out this door.
We'll check this door. After you. Brett, this game is nuts. Hi, Victory. Victory Leo, welcome.
Sweet.
Ooh,
victory.
I don't remember this room. Have we been in this room before? I don't know.
The janitor closet.
I don't need the blue herbage. Oh, there's a memo here.
I got a guard notebook here. Passcode 0721.
Okay, we'll keep that in mind. We'll keep that in mind. I'm gonna take it as well, just in case.
Let's
I've
do
got
our
a
laundry,
battery.
guys.
Let's do
Been
laundry.
really
Pants off,
long
everyone.
day.
Pants off.
Yeah, pants off. I'm feeling kind of dirty. Not in that way, but
Oh no, I am that way. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Why
I'm kidding.
you that
I'm
way?
kidding. I'm kidding. Bazinga.
Wah.
I love how quiet it gets when we're going through doors, all of us. Like, all right.
Oh
Now,
my God,
which door did we come out of? We came out of this one, so we go through
wow,
this.
I
now.
don't know.
This one. This
Wait,
one.
we came out of the stairwell.
Watch out! There's a liquor on the other side.
Nice, welcome. Wow, Barry twice, hi!
Barry
Barry
twice.
Raven
Twice
Wolf,
as good
hi!
as Barry.
Watchman, hiya!
Oh! Help me, please!
Whoa! Oh, I'm in. Dang
No, it's
it.
fine. It's fine. It's fine.
I'm being totally terrible. Oh, poor
Hold on. My
we
gun
good.
is empty. Combine. Alright, I got 2 bullets. Oh, there's more ammo!
Whoa,
Ah, it's my lucky day.
Hold on.
Shotgun
I'm
rounds.
gonna-
Yeah, I found the shotgun rounds. You can have them. 'Cause, I don't need them.
Nice.
I'm gonna give you the
Really?
shotgun rounds. Hold on. Presenting.
Oh yeah.
Present.
Present me.
I'm
This is
presenting
shotgun
you
round.
with.
I ain't got a gun yet. Hi, zombie girl.
But you're doing just fine, you
Hi,
know,
Naya.
with us looking after you.
There should actually be
Naya,
multiple.
Oh, hold on!
shotguns
This
the
place!
level.
This place is about to collapse. A little
Oh,
force
yeah,
will break
yeah,
it down. What do we do? Oh, yes, we
Oh
know.
yeah, we gotta hit it. You gotta cut it. Here we go. Shoulder bashing time.
There we go. Yeah, baby.
One shoulder bash. It's no big deal.
Bye.
My character's
Bye.
just
Watch out, there's a. I found the grenade
Hi,
launcher!
Nick, Trill.
Mine! I found the grenade launcher! Mine.
Mine.
Wow,
My
I'm
precious!
just raided like for ages.
Precious! Nothing in here, seriously.
More shy now.
Please help me.
I unlocked it. I unlocked the door here. I don't know where it's gonna take me. Oh! Hey, I got a raid. Oh, welcome. There's Brett, there's Kubo, there's Brave
Hey,
Friddle, there's
oh.
Brian. Welcome.
Ah,
Watch out, the liquor, the liquor, the liquor. Go to the store.
yum,
Real
yum,
quick,
yum.
real quick, real quick. I was looking at you. This is a silver leaf. Run! Oh, more liquors.
Hey,
Ooh,
hey,
ooh,
hey,
ooh,
why is
ooh,
everybody
ooh.
abandoning me? Help me.
There's liquors. I'm going down the stairs. I'm going down the stairs. I'm going down the stairs. Help me, please.
God.
the
Oh
panic.
my god.
Oh my
Wanna get
goodness.
lost?
Hey,
How you
Barry.
guys are.
Thank you so
Hi,
much,
King
Barry.
Gamer.
How are you gonna leave me in a room full of liquors? You guys abandoned me.
Barry is on. I'm
Barry says, where are you, True? Do I come back for you?
There is a handsome
Oh, there you
couple.
go. There you are.
There I am.
Barry, you're gonna
Barry's
join us
on.
in this adventure, huh?
Mark.
You're gonna join us in this adventure, Barry. Definitely. Okay, we've been in this floor, no?
I don't know.
Yes, this is the hold on.
I'm gonna go through it. I'm gonna go.
Second floor. Okay, you check out that door. I'm gonna
Alright.
check the others. Hold
Tell
on.
us how many zombies are
Oh,
in there.
baby, go.
What?
See you later, Naira.
Help me, please.
Oh, we're in the room. We're in.
Oh, zombie.
Hello,
Zombie.
Mid
Oh,
Hyperspace Kyla.
I'll
Welcome.
run past.
I like your username, Mid Hyperspace Kyla. I like that. Have we been here? No, we haven't been here. I found the Spain one. I found the Spain room.
Hang on, is that number 4?
Yes, it is.
Right, click it.
All right, here it comes.
Alright, I'm gonna hang out with the vlog
been
in
clicked.
this hotel room.
Cool. Now
Oh.
we've just got number 1 to click, and then we've
Oh,
done
look at
it.
this bed.
Yeah, we have to
And
do
number
that.
Oh.
1 is, by the looks of it, oh, can't
Maybe
see
there's a
it.
butcher knife here if you want it.
Yes, Amy, there's a butcher knife here.
I still got my thing
Yeah,
at the
but
moment.
your pipe is gonna break. That's why.
Yeah, that's not Vloggy's pipe, so you can't trust it.
It's not very hard.
Yeah,
Nice, I love the knife.
it's not hard like Vloggy's pipe. You can't trust that.
We just got number 1 to find.
Do you know which room we're in, Amy?
Probably the one next to me.
Yeah, well, exactly, yes. Just if you want to
Okay.
join us.
Bye, zombie girl. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. You haven't seen my little stream alert yet.
Oh, it's open! I'm
Oh.
going in.
Hey.
Alright, if there's grenade rounds,
that
they're
map.
mine. They're mine if I find grenade
Oh.
rounds.
Bye, team.
Nothing. I found something.
Dirty
Antivirus.
toilet.
What's your virus like? True. What's your virus like?
I'm at 21.
21? Even me. So we're on the same.
Alright.
What about Cindy?
Oh, there she is. Don't touch that knife.
Cindy, there's an antivirus here, Amy. If you want to take it.
Yes, I love it. Where are you?
I'm in the bathroom.
He's in the bathroom. Go
Come
join
in,
Vloggy
come in, I'm
the
waiting.
bathroom.
Come in, I'm waiting for you. Close the door behind you, okay?
Oh, hey, what are you guys doing in there?
True's feeling awkward now. It's over here. Amy, it's over here.
The door's shut
Amy, it's
on
over
my
here.
screen. Oh, what are you guys doing in there? I'm just
Oh,
gonna be here.
no, and look at the door. Look at the door, True. Look at the door, okay? Look at the door.
Did you find
What do you need to play this game on?
Oh my god! What are you guys doing?
Oh yeah!
Oh, Amy's already out. Oh, that was over.
Oh, that's so bad.
I'm still doing a video on.
Let's go.
You need a hacked PlayStation 3 FAT. The Cache C03 version is what I'm using. It's complicated but doable.
I call
there
it-
is a video that I'm doing at the moment. So.
I call it. Oh, watch out, zombie!
I have this feeling.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Hey, are you alright?
Oh my god,
Heal up, heal up.
I'm bleeding.
Alright, just heal. Alright, you just bleeding then.
I'm
Now-
gonna go next.
Yeah, let's check out this
Hey,
door now.
zombie bitches. Oops.
Why does it feel like we've been here? It feels like we've been here. I don't know.
I don't think so. We haven't been in that room, so we shouldn't have been in this room.
Okay.
So Barry definitely has to join us in this one for sure.
Yeah, where is Barry Twice? Why doesn't he play this?
Where's
Why does
Barry?
he hate us?
Barry, where's Barry?
Why
Maybe,
not
This is
stop bleeding?
Barry.
maybe it's
blood.
this. Maybe it's this downstairs. No, I don't think so. Eh?
Hey, Amy, stop bleeding all over the floor, right? They're gonna make us pay.
Oh, sorry.
How-
Oh, watch
how
out! There's a
long
zombie
does
on
it
the.
take the time
Watch
to
out!
do
There's a
that?
zombie on the stairs. If you're going down, be
Oh,
careful.
no.
Whoop, 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 whoop. There's a zombie on the stairs. I'm gonna run around him. Amy, don't get bit.
I'm not going to get bit.
Are you guys following? Let's check out this door real quick.
I'm here.
No, this one's flimsy. Let's check it out. Let's see if I can break it. Hold on.
Oh, yeah. Just need some shoulder punching is what you need.
Go get him. My kicks really miss, and they set me back. I keep missing.
Amy, why are you
Find
trying to
it.
open the
Why trying to open the door by ducking?
Yeah.
Put on the controls.
Amy and I were on the same high school football team. That's why we both do the shoulder dash.
Ah, no.
Can you imagine how much longer it takes if you're on your own? You see, there we go.
Oh.
It's open.
Yeah. There we go.
The door is open.
Oh, it's a corridor.
It's a corridor. Are there any rooms here?
Let's see.
Because we need to find that one room. What was the number of that room? Of that painting? Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Oh! Whoa! 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 They're everywhere! Oh, they're everywhere!
Let zombie there.
I'm gonna cross this way. Oh, I don't think we can. Can we?
Amy, this way.
Yes,
Amy,
we
this
can.
way.
Come this way.
Amy,
This way.
come that way. You come this way. I'll cover your escape.
There's another door here that I'm trying to open.
Why don't you help him and I'll deal with this zombie situation. Say, oh, he totally bit me. I waited too long. I was trying to give a cool line. And backfired on me. Okay. So, the zombie situation. If anybody asks, I didn't get bit trying to give off a cool line.
Where are you, True? You okay?
I'm okay. I was killing those zombies.
Yeah, there was like 3 of them. That's why I took off, obviously.
Yeah,
That's me.
But Amy went right into all 3 of them.
You see, when it comes to surviving here, I am survival of the fittest. In case of True, it's survival of the fattest.
Because my character values like cookies above all supplies.
I think you're shoving the door.
I'm trying. It keeps going everywhere.
And you know what? True. Last time we played this, Amy wanted to turn on friendly fire.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
She's like, let's make it
exactly what
realistic.
happened.
Yeah, right. It's not enough realistic here.
Yeah, that's like that's
Oh
what
my
you really
god,
want to
this door.
mess somebody up. It's a strong door.
Oh no, I don't think we can go in.
There's very.
I'm starting to think that this door is the door's tightly shut. It seems to be locked from the inside. I don't think we can unlock this, guys.
Okay,
Oh.
let's try this door over here.
I'm just breaking my shoulder for no reason.
Wow, 27% virus. I need to be careful.
Yeah, same here. Wait, where'd you guys go? Zombie!
Why are we back in the stairs? No, we're in the wrong room.
There's a zombie
I've
behind
come
us.
backwards. Hang on, I'm coming back through.
Okay, me too. 'Cause I just followed you.
Sorry.
I
No,
think
no,
Barry
back,
Twice is
back,
judging
back.
us on our door bashing abilities.
Yeah.
There's
That's
a
the-
zombie in there.
You see, Barry, you look like when you open doors in Resident Evil 1, you have to look for keys like a peasant. We just knock them down, okay? All right.
Yeah. We're manly men.
Watch out, zombie!
Oh.
I'm gonna check out the room. I'm gonna check out the room next door. I'm gonna check out the room next door real quick.
Yes, I found it.
You found it!
I shot that zombie
There
in
we
the
go.
back.
Awesome.
Alright, I'm gonna secure the hallway here.
We should be able to go straight down and get
Go.
the gem out of the
All right,
thingamajig.
that's good. What I'm gonna do
Just
real
mark
quick,
the
I'm gonna
security
check.
guard.
We still need to find what do we need to find? We still
Go
need to
ahead.
find the those keys. What are they called?
Keys?
The silver
Oh, the
relief and the
silver
golden
key.
relief. We need to find those.
Silver key, yeah.
Hold on.
Where are you?
I found a room to take a nap in. Perfect.
Where are you?
I'm in room
I'm coming back in the
101 with you
corridor.
guys.
You're in room 101, okay.
Oh, there's nothing in here though. I have to need a lockpick to go into the back room.
What about this door?
Kevin!
Hey!
Following you.
I hear
I'm in room
an
104. If anybody wants to join.
Wait a minute. Oh, this room has a picture of Finland. Do we need
Don't
that for
touch.
any
No,
reason?
no, don't touch anything. We did
We
it.
have
We
to
just need
go.
to.
Oh, there's a zombie.
Oh,
in
there's a
there.
zombie. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! My gun is empty. Fantastic. Sorry, I can't do anything.
Don't worry, shotgun mark to the rescue.
Oh,
Indiana Jones style.
Please don't die.
Where are you guys?
Shit.
I don't think there's
104?
anything in this room.
Hello?
No! 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 I just saw you get falling on the floor. Where are you?
Where are you guys? Where are you guys?
Room 104. Room 104. Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Please! Help me!
Zombie
Please!
just get out from there. Ow!
Shit.
My balls, zombie.
You know what? You know what? This calls for. This calls for some real weapon.
You had it going all along.
Yeah, but I'm saving us for the boss.
Oh, I went in the wrong room, guys. My bad.
Do you need healing? Oh, you need healing. My goodness, I think you need, eh?
I'm bleeding.
All right, so here I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you a healing item. Hold on, present.
Hey, drink water.
Take
you'll
it.
be okay.
Take it from me.
Oh my god, a zombie followed me out. What a
Thank
jerk.
you.
Alright, guys, don't worry.
And I'm gonna
Mark the security guard is here.
mark the security guard. Thank you
I think there's
for.
bullets over there.
Yeah, but they're not good for my gun. They're not.
There's
Yeah,
some
I haven't
herbage
got
in
a
the
gun
next
yet.
room.
I'm still looking for one.
I'm here, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey.
Better late than.
Reunited.
All right, so.
Reunited, and it feels so good.
All right, we can-
Oh, Barry Weiss is here. Barry Weiss
Yay!
here.
Wanted man, just subscribe.
Okay, Angelo, thank you
Here,
so much for
Barry.
hanging out.
This is
Thank
the
you so much
bad
for hanging out.
stream.
You have a great day, buddy. All right, let's get out of here. There's nothing in this room. Look, it's the
there's-
ceiling fan. True, it's the ceiling fan. It's
Oh
the
my
ceiling
God,
fan.
where are the supplies? We need to find the supplies
No,
to fix this thing.
It's working. It's working. The ceiling
No,
fan
it's-
is
it's
working.
Slow down.
What's working?
Position.
What's working?
The ceiling fan. The puzzles are solved.
Okay.
Hey, there's a green herb in Worm 103 if anybody
Oh
wants
man. No, it's fine. I'm good. I am good.
Stream alert's working by any chance?
it. Alright, well, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take that herb.
You know, I might as well subscribe to Amy then. Oh, watch out, zombie. Watch out. Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs.
Never
go up
mind,
the
I don't want
stairs.
that herb anymore. Run away.
Oh, there's ammo. I think they're mine. I think those are mine. I'll take
Yeah,
them.
that's yours. Not mine.
Thank you.
Oh, is it Vloggy? I thought a shotgun was face. Oh, yeah.
If you find a handgun, please let me know. 'Cause I've got,
Okay,
like,
we need to find the. We need to find the silver relief or whatever.
Yeah, I think it's this room, is it?
I'm not so sure. I don't.
Oh,
know.
no face cam today, Barry, because
Have a
my
good
stream
sleep,
was garbage
please.
last week,
See
so
you
I wanted to
soon.
see if I could stream at all.
Yeah, I got the room. I got the room.
I'm in the room. I'm following you. So is it this one? 204.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
I got-
So, do you have
I
enough?
got the gold key. I got the gold key.
You got the cold key.
Yeah.
All right.
Sold key?
Gold key. That's fantastic. Okay. All right. Let's go.
Let's sell it on eBay.
I don't think it works like that. The zombie
I
apocalypse.
cat.
thought this was a
Welcome.
super realistic game.
Right, cat.
I love how everybody's talking to his viewers, separate viewers. Watch out. So which way?
Take it
Ah,
up
this
the
room.
floor.
This room. Have we been in this room?
Oh, actually got hit by the
Hang on.
fire.
I've got the room. I got the room. Oh, am
Which
I?
room number is
Oh,
it?
I've gone right to the end. To the
Right,
security
so it's 203, I think. Yeah.
Oh wait, I went in the lounge stairs. Not
I'm in
good.
the
No bueno.
security office.
I'm coming back to the corridor.
Hold on.
Where are you,
Don't
True?
leave me. Totally lost.
I'm in the corridor. Where are you?
Coming in the corridor.
I'll wait for you.
I'm walking into the corridor. I'm not scared at all.
Okay, so that's you. Okay, so I think Amy's in this one.
Oh.
Oh, what was in there? What was in that room? What did we do?
That was
That was-
the room
What was in that room?
where that statue and door is. With the gem.
Okay, okay, we need to find the gem then.
Yeah.
We need to find the room with the.
It's not on this floor where the gold room key.
Alright, let's keep going up. Let's keep going up the stairs.
Yeah.
We visit all the rooms here, yeah? Yeah, let's go.
Don't worry, Mark's not tired from going up one flight of stairs.
Yeah, he's not tired, but he's. Help me, please!
We take the elevator, please.
Hi, mate.
Oh man.
Oh, there's a handgun in that other room, apparently. I'll go back in a minute and have a look.
Oh!
Oh, I'm gonna go in this room. I don't. Oh, this is their silver relief. This is the silver relief.
I think it's this door. I think it's this door.
Oh, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it.
I'll
No.
go through it anyway.
Yeah, I'm going in as well. But there is the silver key is right next to it.
I just got licked really hard, guys.
Yeah, baby.
Kappa.
Oh, we've been here. We've been here.
Oh yeah, this is the
Yeah,
room
but
we
it takes us
walked
to the
into.
other side, don't it?
No, but we're gonna switch to the other side now if you go that way.
Dip-a-dip-a-doo.
I don't think you should
Is
go
that
that
what we
way.
wanna
I
do?
don't think you should go that way, to be honest with you.
Oh,
think
Amy, you've led us astray.
All right, hold on. I'm
Hi,
gonna
Billy.
quick because I think it's on
God.
this side of the. You're going on the left side of the apple square now.
Oh, there's a zombie as soon as you come through the door.
I'm not gonna go.
I'm gonna take a little nap here, guys. Tell me how it goes. Oh, I don't feel like resting.
Okay. No, it's not that door. I'm going back out into the corridor.
Yes, I'm going back where we. Oh, oh, no zombie! Don't lick me. I said don't.
Oh, that zombie's gonna lick you. The
No, I said zombie. I didn't mean zombie. I meant licker. Ooh,
Yeah, the
twice.
zombie licked me?
I dodged it
Oh, I
twice.
see you over there. Hey.
Hey, on the other
Yeah.
side. There we
I'd rather
go.
have a licker lick me than a zombie.
All right, I'm coming. Hold on, guys. I'm coming. I'm coming, guys. Hold on.
Lickers are professional lickers, so.
I'm just going in here, have a look in here.
I'm coming, real quick.
Alright. I'm gonna stand in this hallway looking tough with my shotgun. Yeah, shotgun.
Yeah, you secure the area.
Yeah, I'll secure the guard area because I'm a security guard.
Oh, this is 3F. The stairs.
Okay. We need to find the room with somebody Google it. Somebody should Google it. The gold key room.
Yeah. Well, I'm on the staircase, so...
I'm gonna get out of the hallway before I do anything like that.
Help me, please.
Please help! Are you still there,
whoops,
True?
I was holding the door so Amy could get out. Oh, she totally shoved me out of the way.
There you go.
Amy's a lot stronger than I thought.
Okay, I think Amy knows where the room is.
I'm
Okay.
fine.
Why are you hiding it from
Look,
us?
let's go to the stairs.
Oh, watch out! Zombie, 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 zombie! Watch out!
Zombie.
Watch out!
Blast.
Let me handle it. I have this. I have this.
Oscar, sit down.
Bosco, sit down, okay?
Bosco, Bosco.
Sit down.
He's like, shut up, or I'm gonna reverse walk into you again.
Oh, no. He teabagged me proper. I was like, oh.
Oh, I got a
That's
polo
hilarious. I think we need to visit the second floor.
Mark!
Where are you, Matt?
I'm in a different room. Where are you guys?
We'll go down
The staircase. The staircase.
You go with that.
Don't abandon me. Help me, please.
I'll go
You need me to
to
come
left.
get back. You need me to come get back. Come get back you. Come
Fire.
back and get you. You want me to come back for you?
Oh, there's fire everywhere.
You want me to come for you?
Oh no, I know where you are. Okay.
All right,
Oh my
all right,
god, there's a
come.
zombie.
All right, so
Ah!
Every little thing gonna be alright.
we're waiting for you.
I'm
Where are
crawling
you?
through the hole. My character might get
I'm in the 2F corridor.
like, oh, help me, please! I can't fit.
You know which door, right?
I'm in the.
I'm gonna be yelling your name behind the door.
No,
Move it!
I'm in Apple
Mark!
Inn Square. Is that where
Mark!
I'm at?
Mark! Mark!
Can you hear me yelling your name?
Mark!
No.
Mark!
Oh, let's look. Wait, are we going
Mark!
downstairs?
Mark!
Kevin,
Mark!
Downstairs?
where are you?
There's a zombie. Yeah, I was holding.
Mark! Mark!
I'm going to the
Mark!
corridor now.
Mark! Mark!
Mark!
True.
Mark!
True.
Ma,
See?
True.
mommy, ma, mommy, mommy, ma, mom, mom,
I'm in
mama.
a hallway that's on fire.
I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you because this is not funny anymore. Let's go. I was hoping you'd find the door on your own,
My
but
character is looking out a window, sadly, by himself.
I'm coming for you.
Mark!
Where are you?
Watch
out, there's a
What are
zombie.
you on?
I'm
The
on
Apple Inn Square.
third floor, buddy. Third floor, the corridor.
Third floor.
Wow, we're not here.
Oh wait, I hear something. Are you fighting a zombie?
Yes, and I called your name.
I hear something. Where are you? Oh wait, are you fighting?
No, I see the liquor though. I see. Oh, you're on the other side. You're on the other
He's
side.
on the
Go
other
through
side.
that door.
Oh my god. We need to climb through. Oh, is he going to climb through? Okay.
Yeah, he's
I'll
coming.
come through.
All right. So, which door was it? Which door?
Hang on. I'm seeing a locked door down here. It's on the other side.
Hey, why? How did I miss you guys? I can't.
306.
Was this the stairway?
Okay.
No, this is the linen room.
I'm actually making use of the map here.
What? A map. It's for suckers.
A map.
Map is for noobs.
Yeah.
which we aren't. Okay. We're
Yes.
totally not noobs. Help me, please.
Don't worry, I'm here to save the day.
Please help me! You!
Mark, follow me.
Please help!
Uh,
Mark!
Lounge stairs. I'm gonna go downstairs. Come on, are we gonna do this? Come on, we need to do this. We're so good.
We're gonna do this.
Amy, are you coming to the stairs? Watch this, Drew. Watch this.
Help me, please.
Oh, you opened the door! Never mind.
she's
Let's
really
go.
strong.
Okay, here you
Let's
are.
go.
Here
Can't
you are.
stop her.
Let me just have a look at the map again.
Alright, I think
Refrain.
it's on the second floor.
Right. 2F is showing. Oh, 1F is showing 2 locked doors.
So we need keys to get into them.
I'm tempted. I'm tempted to Google it real quick. If we find a safe room, I'll Google it. I don't care. I don't care.
Utilize it.
Oh, oh, watch out, zombie!
Oh,
Watch out, there's a zombie as soon as you come in.
shotgun.
I think you missed, or not.
I don't know.
Is this door open?
I think he heard the shotgun blast.
Guys, guys,
You found it.
Yes.
guys.
You found it.
1F.
Yes.
We need to go to 1F. There's 2 locked doors.
All right, let's go to 1F. If you say so. I can't see them.
Your wish is Vloggy's command. Or
Your
something like
wish is my command. I trust your
that.
judgment.
Fire.
Okay, you come in.
Mark!
I think we need to go underneath the thing. You know how last time on the main, on the reception area, there was a part we had to go under. Let me show you.
Oh, the burning
Yeah,
area.
I remember that. Yeah.
Yeah, we need to go through underneath those
Oh,
vents or
zombie on
something.
the floor there.
Yeah, careful. There's a lot of zombies on the floor here. This way. There's vents here. Oh yeah, where Drew's going.
Yeah.
Ah, right. Yeah, yeah. We got it.
It's just that.
Now, what about this door? Where does this door lead? I don't know.
Oh,
it
shotgun
opened.
rounds. Hello.
It opened.
Ow! Oh, ow!
Oh, ow! Oh, ow! Ow! Okay. Okay.
Alright, fire hurts everybody. It's official. I've tested
It's official. Fire hurts, guys. Whoa! 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 Zombie! Zombie! Watch out! Oh! Ouch! Ouch! Oh! You son of a biscuit!
No, no.
Oh! There's a shotgun on the floor. Amy, pick it up.
Fight zombie.
Yeah, I'm picking it up.
All right. You
Oh,
see?
here.
My game froze! My game froze!
Oh, my game froze too.
No!
No!
No! Why you guys frozen and I'm not?
No! Not this again. True. This is the same room we died last time. Both of us collapsed. This is the same room we collapsed. Oh man.
No, I can see your characters just standing there.
Yeah,
Oh,
we're
you
gonna-
both fell to the ground.
Yeah.
You both just fell down. No.
No. Oh man, this scenario's always messed up, always, and it's always this. And for some reason, it's always this room. Last time I remember, it was this room when one of us collapsed. It was
It
this
is.
room.
Did it on the PlayStation 3. That sucks.
Oh,
Now I have to put both of you down like rabid dogs.
oh man.
I'm gonna exit.
Yeah, there's
Oh my-
one. Can I
right.
exit anyway? I don't think I can. I need to reset the emulator. I think it's completely frozen.
Yeah, you probably have to shut it down.
Oh, I've
Yeah.
gotta restart my PlayStation.
Ooh, the chore.
No.
Okay, so I'm gonna restart the game faster than you now.
Alright, I'm just gonna
Interesting.
shoot your bodies here for a little bit.
Yeah.
You think
Alright.
restart the game faster than me? Let's try it.
Do you now? What do you guys think?
Restart challenge.
Should we try again the Hellfire scenario, or should we just skip it and do the next one?
I don't know. That's like the fourth
dunno.
time it hasn't worked.
That's
I
true.
don't know
It's true.
what's gonna
I'll
make it
probably do it
better.
offline, so
Yeah, I think I'll try it offline as well. All right, so wanna do decisions then together?
yeah.
Oh
go
boy.
Oh boy, yeah. Oh boy, indeed.
Alright.
Oh boy,
Hey, you
indeed.
guys never actually turned into zombies so I can murder you.
Yeah,
What a
yeah.
what?
Because we just died. We didn't die of infection. That's the thing. All right, so resetting. How do you reset?
Well, I've got to go to the ladies' room.
Go to the ladies'
So,
room.
so does Vloggy. coincidentally.
No, I don't. Not today.
Well,
Lucky
let
is
me know
basically-
when you've set up a room. I'm loaded up, by the way.
Me too. All right, I'll set up a room real quick. Oh man. Oh man. Never mind. It's fine. It's fine.
Man. That level. I wonder what it is about that one level.
The stream freeze for you, Supercrier. No, it's not frozen for me.
No.
It's not frozen for me.
No.
No, not close. I see it.
It probably just glitches.
Nah, it's the game that froze. No, it's the game that froze, not the. All right, so I have to log in again. I think I have to log in again now. Oh man.
Man, fly.
Network.
I'm past that.
Biohazard.
Load the net file.
Initializing connection.
Previous connection. Next. You can make anything sound scary.
I know.
What if you say with that?
DIS authorization.
Bubbles.
Loading.
Amy.
Cabbage.
Cabbage. Bosco.
Crumpets and tea.
Protein shake.
Protein.
Diarrhea.
That sounds bad any way you say it.
Oh man, come on. I have to log in again, I think. You guys are gonna see my password. Oh no.
Oh no.
You know what, guys? I trust you all. I trust you all. I trust you all. You can see
You're
my
an, you're an okay group.
You're an okay group.
Except for who's in your
I'm back.
Welcome
Brett the Ninja
back.
sounds like a ninja. They steal stuff.
Yeah, he
Oh
is
wow,
a ninja.
I wasn't even logged into the webpage and it still kept me logged in. Lucky, what's wrong with yours?
Because I'm not logged in on. I don't know. Because I'm using Chrome. I don't know. I really don't. I don't know. Hold on. There we go. Now you can't see my password.
Oh,
Alligator 1. I'm kidding.
and now to put in my password. PASWORD. Okay, now you guys will never
I know,
guess
right?
me.
Thanks, Brett.
Look away, look away. I'm gonna enter my password. Alligator 1. Okay, you can look. Oh man.
Are we done yet?
Oh, look at that. It says if the server is down. Ring the bell. I don't know what that meant. My doorbell?
Yeah, go outside and ring the doorbell.
Oh no, I got an error message. No.
A what?
I got an error
Okay.
message. No, what is this? What is this? Enter
What?
lobbies. I got an error message as soon as I hit enter lobbies.
Hope this isn't Vloggy's blood.
Let's
Are
try
you
again.
still getting it?
I don't know, I got an error message. SSL something. No. I mean, I'm logged in. It's not the issue about logging in. I'm starting to think that maybe the game left me logged in and now I can't log in because I'm already logged in. I don't know.
Oh.
Oh.
Hold on, we'll see.
Well, I'd set one up, but I haven't got decision scenario unlocked.
Yeah, mine is garbage. I don't have anything unlocked.
It's loading now. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Alright, it's connecting. What's going on? Alright, I'm in. Whew, wow, that was a scare. Why'd you do that to me, game? Pfft, man.
You tell the game, Vloggy, you tell it.
Okay. Behave,
Oh, 1
game.
second.
Behave, game,
Never mind.
okay? Or I'll get Amy for you.
Yeah, she'll like cabbage you out.
She'll cabbage you out. Alright, I'm setting up. I'm setting up. Which will take probably 30 seconds. Hold on.
Oh, Bosco.
Sometimes I hear a snore. So funny.
Bosco!
So,
Yay! My subscriber thing works.
somebody subscribed? Maybe I should subscribe to you too. Wait, what? I'm kidding.
What?
I'm kidding.
My little Bosco thing, I just seen it on the stream.
Oh man.
Subscribe.
I
I've
have,
got one for the donation thing as well, it's awesome.
I have a VloggyBuddy 2 account. I'll subscribe with that one now. So I'll see the thing. So Kevin, decisions, easy. Alright, finish. The room is ready.
Okay, cool.
The room is ready. Enter. I hope we can do this scenario. This is a long one.
The wood.
That's what she said. Alright, we're ready.
What?
Oh man.
Yay!
Yay!
I've had to turn the font size up a bit because it was a. Can't see the person's name who's subscribed. Weird. I'll put
It's
it up a bit more.
you know it's like alright, it's like I am carrying this game, alright? Guys, please make some effort, okay? I am carrying them. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Look, look, it's Albert Wesker's twin brother. Alfred Wesker. Alfred Wesker.
Greed. Mass production?
It's not really, is it?
No, it looks like him though.
Ridiculous.
It feels like they used the same character, but they changed his clothing, and instead of sunglasses, they put.
One masterpiece is enough.
With sunglasses on.
And he has a thing for tyrants. It's the same thing. They create a tyrant that has eyelashes.
Aw, well, you gotta be fashionable.
This place too. What?
Dear George, I have vital information about the current city crisis which only you will understand. I'm waiting at the
I don't know
university.
where my phone is. I haven't seen my phone in a while.
Please contact me as soon as possible.
Oh,
Peter
really?
Jenkins.
This is
Let me call it.
Raccoon University.
True, I miss your streams.
Why
Dude,
there?
dude.
I stream
Amy, Amy, I miss your streams. Dude,
Ah,
dude.
you missed my stream. I've not streamed that much lately.
Exactly. I
Every time I
miss
go to stream,
exactly,
I feel
exactly.
well.
That's why I miss your streams. That's why.
I'm gonna be streaming Galarian soon, PlayStation 1.
Okay.
What's a Galarian?
Galarians on PlayStation 1. Oh, I'm loaded
Hey.
up.
Okay.
some-
Did you check out the announcements that were made yesterday from Sony?
No, I was on top of a mountain. I did not get
Oh
good
yeah, that's
cell
right. Yeah, that's right. Last of Us 2 was announced.
Oh, I did see that on Twitter. People were like, Last of Us 2. And I was like, oh, is that a joke? Like, I thought they weren't even gonna make one.
Let's go up there. Let's go upstairs.
Oh yeah, this is Mark's time to shine. Help me! I'm gonna help you, please.
Help me, please. Why do I keep
Mark,
hearing
come on.
myself?
Where are you? Where are you?
Upstairs,
Oh, sorry.
upstairs.
Yeah. Why aren't you moving?
I'm moving now. I'm just sorting some stuff out.
I like to move it, move it.
So which door we take? We take this door first? I think so. Yeah,
Hold on.
it's this door.
I found some sweet herbage over here.
Sweet Burbage.
Where are you?
Kevin!
Hold on, huffing and puffing.
Cindy.
Ah, there you are.
Yeah, so Last of Us 2 was announced, and another Uncharted game was announced as well.
Oh, another Uncharted? Wow. I thought that was the last one though. Isn't that
It was
whole
the last
thing,
one.
like-
It was the last one for Nathan Drake, but there's other characters.
Ah.
I like that because there's some.
Oh.
Watch out!
Nobody bites me in the neck.
I got this, guys. I got this. I'm moving the show. I got an iron pipe for you. Come get it. Got here. Take my pipe. Present. And this one. And this is a good one. This is a straight one.
Thank you.
Loggy is straight as.
All right.
Is there anything here?
I don't
Oh, I
know.
moved this and there's nothing. Or my
Maybe
character's
maybe it
not
needs to
good enough
maybe it's
shape
to be
move
moved
it.
the other way. Maybe it needs to be moved the other way.
Oh, maybe.
No, it doesn't move. It's not moving at all. He's trying, but it's like, oh, he's moving it now. All right.
Okay. Let's go do the thing with the thing and put the thing inside the other thing.
Yeah, Cindy can play the piano right away.
Oh, that's right. We don't have to do it because she can like do the puzzle right away.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So come
Watch
in
out, zombie!
here,
Watch out! Help me, please! All right.
Cindy can play on that.
All right. Which room? I think it's this room.
The one to the character's right. I
The
just
one
went
to
in
the
there.
characters.
I'm
Yeah,
coming
that's
out.
the one I'm coming in as well. What was I
No,
saying?
I'm gonna go back in now because you guys just ran past me.
Yeah, play the piano, please.
And play it well.
Mark just casually walked in through the door.
Like,
He didn't even open the door. He just came
I
through
don't
it.
need to open
There's like no
doors.
time, man. There's no time to open the door. I'm just gonna go through it. That's funny.
Oh, I got that sweet blue thing.
That's good.
Another pipe down here, I think.
Got the blue herb.
Another pipe.
Visual.
Get down.
Oh, zombie coming in. Run
Watch
out.
out, watch
run
out. Run out, out, guys. Out.
We're done with the
Oh,
room.
oh, he's chasing me.
To us.
Oh, camera change. I can see it.
You okay? You okay? You need me to shoot him? Just come over here. Just come over here. Don't worry about him.
You guys okay?
Yeah, we're
I'll
good.
stand out here and shoot whoever walks through this door.
No, it's me. It's a me.
Anybody comes, it's me.
It's a me, Mario Kart.
Let's Wario, I don't care. Bam.
I think there's something else in
you
this room,
guys.
though. I think there's something else in this room. I think there's the
Yeah,
glasses.
There's some items.
There's the
Yeah,
glasses.
items. I think there's also something under the bed that I can't get because my character's too fat.
All right, I'll let Cindy grab it from underneath the bed. That wasn't dirty. That was just funny. Oh, come on, no. I was just being generous. She can take it. She can
Alright,
take whatever it is under the bed. Haha, haha.
Oh,
Okay.
Cindy, handgun. Amy, get that sweet, sweet handgun goodness.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's on the table here, on the coffee, on the tea table for you.
Where's the
Probably
bed?
More English.
Where's the bed? Oh, there's
The back-
something
The
here.
back room.
It's coffee
Back
table,
room.
not tea table.
Oh, whatever. I don't know what you say in England.
But yes, it's probably that's what they say. You know, we call it a coffee table, but in England it's a tea table.
I want my
We call it a coffee table as well.
Yeah, I know. I'm just pulling your leg.
Did you go back there? Did anything
Oh,
go
a zombie's
back
coming
there?
in. Guys, go through this door. There's a zombie coming in.
Onto the back
Hurry
door.
up, Amy.
Dude, you got that one.
This is
Okay,
the
I'm-
president's room where the magic happens.
Oh, right, okay. I can't get through that door because the zombies there.
No, don't go through that door. Go through the back door. Yeah, there's
Oh.
there's something under the bed. My character's too fat. Oh, zombie came in with Amy. You made
Watch
a
out,
friend
Amy.
there,
Watch
see?
out. Alright, there's something underneath the bed if you want to go grab it, or I'll just go check it out. If it's good.
He's just waiting for you.
Oh, there's a clip actually. I think I'll take it. I think I can have it. I don't think
Yeah, you can use it.
I can use it. Alright,
Maybe
we'll
that's
see.
the only thing in here, though.
Found your vloggy.
Peekaboo. Is there anything else here? What's this?
There's like a weird
Ooh.
picture set up back here that seems like a puzzle.
Yeah,
it's
but it
very
doesn't-
Resident Evil-y.
Oh, it's
I don't
like
know what
the
you
one
do.
for free.
Alright, okay, I got the glasses though. Follow me, guys. Follow me. I know where we need to go now. Follow me.
And Vloggy's lost. That's not the door.
Please help!
Oh yeah. Oh, watch out! The zombie came in. Watch out! Come on!
Help me, please!
Vloggy tried to
You're
hide in the
out of the room
closet.
and you're going, help me.
Yeah, I was supposed to say follow me, something like that, but I don't know the controls. Alright, let's go.
Help me! Help!
It's been a while since you said, help me, please!
I know. My character needs more help.
Help me!
Help
Help
me!
me! Help me, please!
That's the one! There we go, hold on. There's some ammo on the floor. I'm just gonna
Yeah,
sort out
I
this thing real quick, hold on.
Oh, something just
Yeah,
opened.
just go through that door, right now. Go!
Going.
Go!
My character's fat. Help me.
Ooh, I like this part.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah.
Amy.
I already know. If you want to come stand on it,
Amy totally zapped Vloggy last time.
yeah. I wasn't stupid.
It's almost like you don't even trust us. Sheesh. Help me!
Help me, please! Help me!
Good. What are you doing? Zap him!
Help me, please!
How are you health-wise now? You're on caution.
Yeah.
Do you have a
Oh, I
healage?
got you.
Do you have herbage? No.
I got her, bitch.
I have a
Oh,
green
wait.
one. I have a green one. Take my green one so you don't use up the whole thing. Hold on. Let me give you my green one. Present.
Okay. Take it. There we go.
There we go. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm
Use the
fine.
herbage. It's a nice joke we have to repeat every now and then. I want to do it to Amy though. I'll do something.
know, Amy-
I'll think of something else. I'm
all
sure I
for
can think of
first
something
time.
else. I'm sure I can think of something.
We'll lose the game just to do it to Amy, like when we're getting chased
Can
by
you
Tyra.
imagine? Can you imagine
Good,
she
Amy.
like holds the key to the end of the game and we're like, and she's like either saving her or pull this joke on her.
Beat the game or pull the joke on Amy. Like that.
Hang on. What's over here?
Or part of it, no? Probably death. Hey, what is over
Amy,
Fine.
round the corner, please. No, True, get out of there.
there? Amy.
Round the corner.
Yeah.
Hello.
Come over there.
Hello.
Oh, I missed! I missed! I am so mad at myself right now. I am so... Did you even realize what we did? Okay. Oh man. No, but seriously, we need to use that for the tyrant.
Tyrant, yeah. Oh, we're back in the thing, yeah.
Such a noob. Alright, I'm gonna go... Somebody needs to place that jewel.
I have it, I got it.
Okay, I'm gonna wait there.
What's the wrong way?
Cindy.
Yeah, sure.
Mark. Over there. Help.
Over there. Help.
Thanks.
Help
me, please. We have to go. Let's go.
Okay, put it. Let's go.
Okay, we got it.
Now then, which door? I think it's this one now.
It's one of these bottom ones.
Let's see. Oh, doorknob is broken. Okay, that's not good.
Oh, no.
Amy, use your doorknob repair skill.
Maybe this one?
Is it this one?
I've got doorknob repair skill.
No.
I think so. I think
no.
that's Cindy's trait.
Student
Super,
affairs. Wow, wow.
Oh yeah, that's it. We gotta do that.
Yes,
clock.
yes, exactly. I know it. Oh, watch out, zombie. Watch out.
I hear gunfire. Is everybody okay? Mark's here. Don't worry.
Please help me.
Of course. Amy's handling with a zombie. He's like, is everything fine here? Please help me.
Help me.
Oh man. All right, I need to do this puzzle. Do you know how to do this puzzle, Amy?
No, I don't know.
I'll do it. Don't worry. You just handle the zombies, okay? So
Oh, wait
it's
a minute.
0,
You gotta turn it on first.
0, 3,
I'm gonna turn it on.
3,
There you go. Now it's working.
0, 3 to 5, I think. Yeah, 0, 3 to 5. Hold on. I can do this.
You can do this.
0, 3 to 5. So 3.
I'm gonna hold the
5.
door.
I think it's like this.
I'm gonna hold the door with Amy.
I did it.
Four holding.
Hey, small B!
Skills.
Vloggy, calm down. I'm here.
I guess I can't help you guard the door.
Guys, I got the jewel. Let's get out of here.
Sorry.
Let's get out of here.
Just try to stay calm. What a fool. Move.
It says it's
Listen
blocked
to
by
me.
something. You're strong.
Yeah, Amy's characters are really strong.
Let's run. Unless there's a zombie.
It was actually weird no zombies came in.
It's true. It's on easy. I think that's why.
Well, we've played on easy before and we've had like 3 or 4 zombies.
It's true. You're right. Yeah. I think they're intimidated now. They're like, there's 3 of them.
Yeah.
We stand no
better just leave them
chance.
alone.
I'm gonna place the jewel real quick.
Swaldy.
All right. So I'm gonna place the gem real quick. Use. There we go.
Downstairs.
You see, guys, I'm carrying you through this whole thing. I'm carrying
Yeah,
you.
This vloggy. Help.
I'm
Help,
kidding.
Please. Cheer, I'm gonna help you die. I mean, hi, Cheer.
You wanna see a cop getting startled by a corpse? Let's do this.
Oh,
A corpse
yeah,
getting
let's
startled
see.
by a corpse. In a zombie apocalypse, by the way.
In the zombie apocalypse, like, he's dead. Oh my, this
Shit.
is horrifying. A dead body. I've only been killing multiple zombies all day.
Yeah, like, no way, dude. Alright, now, what do we do here? I think we got the password or something. Do we get the password for the elevator here? Yeah, there it is. Torn memo. So, it's 4, and the rest of the memo. 4927. Guys, memorize that. 4927.
4927.
227.
I'm gonna take this pill real quick.
4927.
Oh,
You
this is
just pop
recovery,
the pills?
actually. No, this is
Don't
recovery.
take ecstasy on the zombie apocalypse.
Antivirus, I'll take it because I'm okay right now, actually. I'll... what's your virus like, guys? What are your virus levels like? I'm at
Mine's
40.
16.
What about
13.
you? Okay, 16. So Amy gets to take it. I'll have something for
Alright,
you, and you have to
16
use
already.
it. Present. Take it
Oh, here's more.
and use
Here's
it.
more antivirus.
Okay, I've just took one, but I'll have it.
What are you at, Vloggy?
I'm at 14.
Oh, yeah, well, you can use this. I guess I'm the lowest. Yeah, I found another one.
Swolby's trying to troll me by putting different numbers in. Don't do that! Let's go. Don't do that! I'm easy. Oh, you're offering me something. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry about
Trying
that.
to give you.
I was
a little
ignoring you.
ecstasy
Sorry.
pill so you can have fun.
Sorry.
Here.
Here.
Take my random pill. Don't look at what it is and don't worry about it.
Alright, I'm gonna swallow it whole.
Just yeah,
Use,
swallow
that's
that pill.
Let's go. Let's go. I know where we need to go now. It's 4927. What's wrong with your head? Amy's character was like looking all over the place. Your head was turning around. Like, what's she looking at?
Little schizo.
You know how it is. You know how it is when there's a zombie. She looks like at the zombie. This way, guys. This way. She was looking up for some reason. I don't know why.
Huh.
Which way is the door? Hold on. Where's the door? Oh, this one.
One
Oh,
over
yeah,
here?
that one. Yeah. Now, you guys need to be careful because of the zombies coming in. There might be zombies coming in here. It's never easy.
Don't worry, Mark's here.
I'm gonna enter the computer real quick. The password
Okay,
in the
I'll
computer.
cover the door.
Yeah.
Via,
So it's
via my big muscles.
492. I love this game. 27.
I
Activated.
did it. Haha.
Activated. Let's see what if there's any stuff in here. You know what? I'm out of here.
Hey, wait a second! I can't fit in there. Help! Help me!
Please help. Please help.
Yes.
There's something here. Oh, that's a
I
pipe,
don't
is
know.
it?
It's a pipe. I don't think Amy wants your pipe anymore.
Alright, what's over here? Oh, there's an herbage. I'll take it.
Oh.
Amy decides on the floor. Which floor do we go to?
I don't know.
Come on.
I don't know.
Which
What
floor?
Zombie coming in.
Let's go
zombie
third
coming in,
floor.
make a
Third
choice.
floor. Third floor. I made the choice.
Oh,
Third floor.
You guys shut the door on me!
I
Oh my
have
God.
spoken! I've made the decision for us. Third
Third
floor.
Move it. Cindy.
Yes.
Mark.
Wait for a minute.
There he is. There he is, Mark.
Hey.
Let's
Any
go.
more stuff here?
Help me,
Because
please.
last time this is the way we went through. Oh, there's ammo here. If anybody, well, you know, you guys have a regular gun. Mine is stupid.
Yeah, I got a regular gun.
You can have it. I have a stupid gun.
This door?
Yeah, yeah, it's the only door actually. There's a big hole in the ground. It's dangerous to go any closer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Amy, jump down there. Find out what's down there.
Experiment preparation room.
Desktop is in disarray.
Oh, antivirus, another one here.
Okay.
You want it?
I'm good. You use it.
Lots of.
Or
I'll
no,
mix up
actually,
this
it's
herbage here.
Drew's turn to take one actually.
Yeah,
We all popping pills together.
I've just popped a pill.
You know it.
Ooh, yummy.
I found ammo. Nice.
Ooh. Recovery medicine.
Wait, it says
Okay.
recovery medicine. But wait a
What?
minute. It looks like. Come on, what does it look like over there? Doesn't it look like ammo?
There's another antivirus. I guess I'll take that.
Okay.
I'll switch it with this.
Is that ammo over there? No, it wasn't
Where?
ammo, was it? No, no, no. Never mind. Looked
Come
like.
on, you girls.
Come on, you girls.
Was that a recover?
For-
Okay, well,
for once, she's ready before we are, so let her have her moment.
if anybody needs herbage, oh.
When is season 5 of what coming? Swalby, season 5 of what? I think I know what
Season
you mean,
5?
but I want to ask just in case. Season 5
Game
of
Thrones?
what?
We're already on season like 7 of Game of Thrones.
No, I think he's talking about something. I think I know what he's on about, but I'm just take the gold statue. Yes, you obtained a special item. I think I know what you're talking about, but I'm not gonna acknowledge it first. I'm just gonna ask you, what are you talking about? Experiment, blah blah blah.
Done. This door is tightly shut and won't open.
Can you shove it? Can you open it? Like by kicking it
I don't
down?
know, is that a thing?
We'll check it. Incubator.
Whoa, Amy's shooting the door down.
No, don't waste ammo. No, no. Vlogging. Yeah, I knew he was talking about. Yeah, it means VloggyBuddy. Because I stopped my show at season 4. I knew what you were on about. Yes. I knew it. I knew
You're
it.
hitting this door.
So guys, this is where we need to come back with the tyrant blood over here. We need to keep that in mind, okay?
Okie doke.
Alright.
So this door doesn't open? Nothing? If I try
No.
to... But
Kick it out. I don't think it's gonna go.
yeah, let's do this.
Wanna do it?
I don't think it's gonna open, to be honest with you, but we
I
can
don't
try.
think so.
Because usually it would say flimsy.
Alright.
No.
Everybody
Don't
get
waste
ready
ammo,
for
don't
the...
waste ammo.
Well, if the gun ain't opening it, then it's not
No.
gonna open.
No, I don't think it's gonna open now. But I wanted to make sure.
Mark is determined.
I think I will get back to vlogging. I miss vlogging. But not as much as I miss unboxing, so unboxing is gonna return.
Yeah.
Definitely. I'm ordering the Funko mystery box thing. I'm gonna be sent like 2 or 3 Funko Pops every month. Because that's what I was hoping for when I unboxed Nerd Block.
Yeah,
I
that's
missed.
all everybody wants.
I was just hoping for Funko Pops each time I opened the Nerd Block, you know. And there's not just that. If I get a Funko Pop, I hope it's the one I want, you know. And this one,
100%.
I can tell them which ones I like. I can tell them like, listen, I'm a fan of this franchise and this franchise. Please, no, none of this franchise because I hate it, you know. And they can send me the ones that I like. That's good.
Oh, awesome.
If someone plays Salissa, would have M4 right now. And Vloggy, yes, there is. When you came back later with the ingredient, yes, there is where. That's when I have to come back. So
There
when
you
I
go.
expect season 5, episode 1, I don't know. I don't know, Swabby. I
Yeah,
don't
fine.
know. Okay, let's choose another floor. How about
B2F.
B2F? True spoke first.
B2F, I think that's a Korean pop group.
Really?
Which floor have you gone to?
B2F. I'll wait here. We'll wait next to the elevator.
Which floor have you gone to? Lost me way.
Cindy!
Oh wait,
Cindy!
this is the horn. Maybe we should go to the other floor. This is the shark thing.
Yeah, we have to do it, the Shark Tale. I love this part. This is True's favorite part. Right
I
here.
don't wanna.
I don't
Where's
wanna.
this
I don't
stupid
wanna.
guy?
Hang on. Hold on. We can either go through here, or we can go through the sewers. Hold on, hold on. Do we go through the sewers? We have an option here, actually. We can either take the sewers.
Sewer. Are we ever
Yeah.
taking the sewers?
Last time, when you guys died, both of you, and I was on my own, I took the sewers as a shortcut, I remember.
Should we just take the sewers then? Is it easier? Or is it longer?
Vloggy, I'm telling you, shoot through the back of the head, leave the dead weight behind.
Whoa!
I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna do it! I'm gonna do it!
What? I'll defend myself. I'll defend myself.
I'm kidding,
Go
let's go.
ahead.
Let's go, guys. Let's go.
Juan, I'm gonna remember that.
It's Juan, yeah. Sending a tweet out. Yay, new vlog on Thursday. Yeah, right. You know what I'm working on though? I am working on a compilation. You know how I summarize handgun magazine. There's a handgun magazine here, if anybody wants it.
I don't even have ammo, so it doesn't
I'm
matter.
alright for ammo.
Just first aid spray. I'm like, all I have is healing items, so I'm loaded up on all that.
Alright, okay. You know how I used to make like compilations end of the year 2015, 16, like what happened this year, blah blah blah. This year, because I didn't vlog, I don't have any highlights. But I'm gonna do a compilation of all the dub smash and musicallys that I did and I never shared. It's gonna be hilarious. Guys, are you ready to make the run for it? Run!
Ready.
Run!
Don't leave me
Run!
behind,
Run!
please.
Go get through! Go get through! Oh, there's the shark over there. It doesn't look good. Oh, he got it again! He got it again!
Why do you hate me so much?
Oh my goodness!
Wow.
I thought it was gonna be Amy. I thought it was gonna be Amy, to be honest with you. Oh man, that was hilarious. Drew, can you make it?
I'm alive.
He's swimming right now. I'm so tempted to come back to see you, but I don't want to risk. That was so funny.
Oh, come on.
Kevin!
It's amazing. 3 of us running and the shark's approaching. And I'm like, is it gonna be me? Is it gonna be me? No, I think it's gonna be Amy. It's gonna. No, it's true.
Please smell my sweet, sweet fat body. Oh my!
At least he made it.
I haven't through once without being nailed by his shark.
Oh man, that was funny. My face hurts with the laughter.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't have webcam on. I was very upset.
Wait. Jack is telling me something. I keep doing the same mistake apparently. I'm trying to reload a 4.5 with a 9mm magazine. So, it doesn't say though. It just says ammo 15 handgun. It doesn't say. Handgun magazine, ammo 15. I think I can use it. Hold on, I want to try this. Hold on, I want to try this. I'm gonna shoot at the screen.
Karate?
Let's see if I can reload. What the heck? What the heck?
You're wasting a lot of ammo over there, Vloggy.
Cabbage.
Oh. It doesn't work then. How not? How come not? I don't get it. Okay, I did waste the ammo. I can't reload.
Dang it.
And I just used it by mistake as well.
Oh, Vloggy!
I got nothing now. I'm Look at the shark. I can see the shark from here. Let's go.
You're slow.
I'm coming. So it's stupid to have.
Yeah.
So I'm.
Oh, Lolly, where's pants? Latex pants.
Target's closing in. All right, come on. The thing's too huge.
In our
9mm
language,
useless. Almost
the
got
pants
it.
are trousers. But in Amy's language, pants are the underwear. The underpants.
Oh, that is weird. Those are Speedos. He's a swimmer, obviously.
He's a swimmer.
Hey, something's wrong.
Swimmer tyrant.
Like,
Uh-oh,
when
uh-oh.
they put his pants on an Outbreak team and
What
like,
the?
put his pants on, there you go, you're alright now.
But they are
Somebody
leather.
had to get those XXXL underwear.
But they are leather. Huh? You can tell they're leather. Okay, so
Spandex.
you see, because people keep saying tyrant butt and tyrant this and tyrant that. This time they gave him underwear, so people won't laugh at his ass.
I won't underestimate it next time.
You can play this
Must
game
be
as
going
single
to
player,
the
but it's
man.
more fun
Might as well
to
set
do
it
it
up.
two players,
Just
2
in
or 3 or 4
case.
players. Okay, now, what were we gonna do? Oh, I need guns. I need a gun.
There should be one around here.
Jack is laughing. Jack is laughing. Yes, I'll give you that one, Jack. I'll give you that one. Yes, I wasted my ammo to see if I can reload the wrong ammo. That's what I did. That's what I did. I admit. If you find guns, guys, I need a gun. So there's no point. So there's no point for this magazine then.
Vloggy!
Well,
What?
Amy
Sorry.
can use it.
Yes.
Get over here, get the red herb and fucking mix it.
With
Yeah,
what?
Vloggy.
Oh yeah. Okay. Don't yell at me.
You don't, like, give anyone else a chance to talk.
It's true. I ramble so much. I am sorry.
Oh, card key. I'll take it.
I
I guess. I have too much health stuff. Okay, I got a card key for a door.
There's something here. Hold on. Documents. T-blood.
Whoa, there's a grenade rounds here.
Okay, I know what we need to do next. Let's see where this door leads, though. Hold on. You got a card key through, yeah?
Yeah.
Follow me. Let's see if it works on this door over here.
Oh yeah.
See if it works on that door. I don't know.
Yep.
It did. Okay, I don't know where this door is gonna lead.
You're gonna lead us to safety. I have a good feeling about this.
Front.
First floor, passage B. Where are we? Whoa, what is this? Oh, look at that! Nice!
Oh,
Shortcut, guys. Shortcut. Guys, get ready. Get ready. Once we go through this door, alright, it's Tyrant.
Well, let's not do that then. Let's
Alright.
just run away.
I need ammo.
Let's go-
I need guns.
Let's all go live on an island together and just relax. Hey, what's that?
Damn.
Alright, guys. Are you guys ready? We need to trigger the Tyrant so we can bring him here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have
Let's go.
5
Follow me
bullets,
this way.
FYI.
I'm gonna make myself a drink first. Hold on.
Let's go. Hold on, I'm gonna make myself.
Hold on. Hold on. Please be patient.
I think Amy just went through.
Did she? Oh. She triggered him. She triggered him. I'm gonna wait here. Did you trigger her?
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay.
She's gonna come back here. She's gonna bring him with her now. All right. You know what? Ooh, he's coming for sure.
Oh, I'm running away. I'm running away.
Uh-oh. I went through the door by mistake now because I couldn't see.
Vloggy.
I didn't quick turn.
Where is it?
And now to put a bullet in Amy's head.
I don't know, but the music is weird here.
You see me pointing this gun at your back?
The doorknob is broken. What? I can't follow you guys. Okay, I lost you guys. The doorknob is broken. I can't follow you anymore. There he is! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm so happy that there's no. Run! He's probably chasing me. Yes.
No trust.
No, he's not there.
Our teamwork is low.
The thing is this.
I'm gonna get you, Amy.
He broke the freaking door! Oh, he broke the wall! Oh no! We're gonna. I'm freaking out big time. Sorry, I need to calm down. Oh, hey, Sniper Cat. Oh man, this is not my manliest moment right now.
I don't know where you are.
Oh, he's right behind me! Oh no!
I'm gonna be in here, guys. Don't worry
I can't
about
get
me.
that door not broken.
Yeah, that's
I'm gonna
why.
be here.
Oh my goodness.
Someone open the door from that side so I can get through.
I need to find a way to zap this tire. Oh, I found you! He's coming! He's coming! He's right behind me!
Don't bring him here.
Hold on.
Alright, you
Can you lure him? Yeah.
I'll shoot him with my one.
One, two. Oh no, I missed! Can we do this again?
Will someone open the door?
Bring him over here! Bring him over here!
Okay.
One,
Okay.
two. Don't run, Tyrant. No! Got him! You son of a biscuit! What the heck?
You did not get him.
Yes, I did. He dropped it. Take it.
I got it.
Run. Let's take this door. Oh my goodness. Okay, now we need to go to the elevator. You know the elevator? Yeah, third floor. The main hall where we took
Third floor.
the main hall.
Tyrants can't use elevators. Okay, we're here too. So
Okay.
follow us.
Follow me. I'm so panicking right now.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but
Tyrants can't use elevators.
yes,
I know
but he
this
can follow
never
us. He can follow us through this. Yes, I did, Levy. I did. All right. Okay, he can follow us through this room as well. Third floor, guys. Third floor.
I'll hold the door. JK,
Yeah.
I'm running away. Amy, you hold the door.
We can't even hold door against zombies. You're gonna hold it against the tyrant. Third floor.
Amy's really strong. She'll do it.
What floor?
Third floor.
Amy,
Third.
take
Wow,
one for the team.
man. We're good. We're good. We're safe now. This was intense. Oh,
Yeah.
man. Sorry for screaming, guys. I'm not.
Good thing we intentionally triggered him, right, Amy?
I'm like, okay, because I didn't see any tyrant.
Oh man. Of course. You're the one that triggered him. She was the one that triggered him.
Vloggy, let me tell you what happened. Okay, she triggers the tyrant, gets him chasing you, and then shocks me with the little electric prod.
Did she?
That's,
Oh man.
Amy's version
This
of
is where you need
teamwork.
to do the thing. Yeah. This is where you need to do the thing. And I don't know what you need to do next. Honestly, I don't. So, what is this?
I don't know.
Over here.
got
No, this is a microphone.
Pointed at you. So hurry up.
Oh, I have to mix something. It's not using. I can't just use it here.
Really? We need something else.
Pan.
Yeah.
Oh
Well,
man.
What about
Man,
this
what?
machine over here? This thing here.
No, that's a microphone. I don't know what it's for.
Okay.
So you can't
Oh.
use it then.
I did use and it's not using.
It says the Regent incubator. Once I put the materials, this device will mix them up. Yeah, so we need another item. Oops, sorry guys. Sorry.
Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.
That's all I know though.
So.
What about this door here?
Did we get any memos that say anything?
What about this door? I forgot what's behind this door. Ah, this one's locked.
We
you said,
can't
yes?
open that one.
Yeah.
That's the one that we can't get.
I love this game too.
Oh wait, we have T blood. Oh, we need V poison
I
and
don't
T
know.
base.
Wow. Okay. I thought we were done.
Oh,
What's
we
wrong?
need to go on the elevator and go to that floor we didn't go to, right?
Okay, let's go. Which
Let's
floor
go to
was
the
that?
basement. It's 2F or something.
Nice to see you, Drew.
Nice to see me, True.
Drew, there's Drew. Drew, not Drew.
No, Drew sounds too much like True, so kick him
It's
out.
true, you gotta go. We already got someone that ends in Drew.
Ooh.
You got Drew and Drew. Drew. Okay, which floor now?
Okay. Oh,
B4F?
B4F.
Yeah, we haven't been to B4F. Let's go. Man. Alright. Oh, I remember this part. You know what?
Oh,
Does
yeah.
anybody have a free item slot? Me. Alright, hold on.
No.
I'm gonna take the bug spray because, you know, the wasps.
Oh yeah.
What's over here?
Those ones. This door is tightly shut. It won't open.
Okay, nothing, I guess.
That'll open if Mark puts a little muscle into it. Oops, wrong way. See you later.
What about this door? Hold on.
Sure.
I don't know where it's gonna take me. I just randomly access waterway. I don't like this.
Never access waterway. Oh, I don't like that either.
Yeah, it's the gamma. It's
Sounds
the
like-
what are they called? Gamma hunters, I think. Gamma.
Oh,
hunters.
those are the guys that
Swallow
totally
your
hate
whole-
Amy and I.
Where's Amy? Hold on. Amy's not here.
I'm coming.
Amy, bullet to the face, Amy. Oh, it's you.
Our strategy is to stick together. It's not like a strategy because we're too coward to.
Yeah.
I've never been here. I don't remember being.
stick together.
Run! Just run! Just run!
Oh, don't shoot,
Just
just
run!
run.
Just run!
Oh, wait,
Spooders! Spooder splooge!
Oh, they're so deliciously hairy.
Spitters.
Oh man. Oh, another spooder! Whoa, wow, she jumped at me! She jumped at me. Since when do they jump?
Oh, they saw you. They wanna tweet
And of course, she spooder splooged
Did she
all over
spooder
me.
poison you?
Yeah. Does anybody have a
Oh,
blue
she
herb?
got her oh, there's a blue herb right here.
Oh, nice.
Cool.
Because I'm poisoned, I need to.
Wait, where the hell are we?
I don't
Oh,
know.
this area.
I don't know.
Oh, there's a red herb over here, but it wants to mix it with anything. I don't know yet.
There's 2 green herbs as well here if you want.
Oh, there you go. Somebody can mix them up. I'm
I'll-
full on
I'll
like
take them.
all health items.
Hold on, but I still need
Yeah,
to.
I don't know.
I got health items and tea blood.
Yeah, why don't you use a healing item? True, come over here. You need
Okay.
to no, use a healing item. And grab
Oh,
another.
I didn't know. Oh, that's right. I'm hurt because somebody shot me with electricity. I wonder who did that.
There's 2 herbs here, so you guys can. have-
Okay. Like, can you do 2 green and a red, or just a red and a green?
What? Sorry?
Can you do 2 green and a red herb mixing?
No. The strongest guess is red and green, so there's no point in adding.
Yeah, late raid.
That would have been some
Thank you.
sweeter.
Do you Amy? Do you need this herb over here?
I got plenty of herbs.
Okay, me too.
Herbs.
I say herbs too, so. And I also have an extra handgun magazine. Does anybody want that?
Nah, I'm alright.
All right, so I'm gonna dump it, and I
Yeah,
prefer
it's
taking a green herb then. All right, let's go.
Okay, I think we need to take the tracks, right? Go somewhere.
I don't
Or
know.
the other way?
I have no idea, guys. I honestly don't know.
One of these ways goes somewhere.
This way is blocked.
Yeah. Go this way. It's the old subway tunnel.
Let's go towards the old subway tunnel. I have no idea where we're going. Okay, take your time,
Follow
buddy.
me. I have. Oh, this is where the wasps are. I have 4 bullets. gonna be alright.
No, I think we need the spray. I'm gonna equip the spray. I'm gonna equip my spray. No, I'm gonna equip my spray. I equip my pesticide spray now. We're good.
Mark the security guard is on watch. Yep, help please!
Please help! Oh wow, run. Just make a run for it, guys. This is not
Oh,
good.
I'm getting on the train.
Oh yeah, let's get on the train. I think there's a machine gun over there.
You're safer from blood.
Yeah, get on the train.
Oh my god, that's a big fucking one.
Yeah, that's why we got on the train.
Thanks for the
zombie!
Sorry, I don't have guns. I can't help you. I'm gonna run. Sorry.
Oh, out of bullets. Oh, we died. That actually
There's an
fell off.
umbrella.
Get on there! They keep I'm dying.
Seriously?
Amy.
Amy, don't die.
I don't have any bullets to help you, so...
I'm trying to heal, but it keeps getting me. Yeah, on the floor.
Dang it, Amy.
Okay, I'm gonna come help you. Hold on. Or did you go already? All right. True is coming. True is coming. I'll secure this
coming.
area.
Mark, yeah, you secure that area. Amy, over here, over here.
There was a machine gun. I missed it. Hold on.
I don't know why you're over there, but come over here.
Amy, stop wandering around.
Amy, stop shooting them and get over here.
Yeah, well, I gotta shoot it because it keeps getting me.
Nah, you'll be alright. I believe in me.
Hey.
Mark saved the day, no big deal.
Oh, zombie! No! What am I gonna do?
Alright, heal up, you cripple. Oh, she's poisoned! Amy, this first aid, heal poison?
Oh no, there's a zombie. Guys, take care of the zombie for me, please! Help me, please!
I don't have any ammo!
Oh, really? Okay. Hold on, I found a machine gun. I'm gonna take this machine gun real quick.
Use it and machine gun that zombie.
I'm trying to... Ooh, controls.
Over
sometimes.
there.
Please,
Shoot
good.
him.
Well, I can't
Shoot the
pick it up.
zombie better.
Why can't I pick it up?
I don't know, why can't you pick it up?
I got it. Let's go in. Because it's when I panic, I mess up the controls. It always happens to me. Hold on. I need to equip the guns.
You're pretty good at panicking, Vloggy.
Ooh, I'm the best.
Oh, zombie, run away. Mark the security guard is scared.
Help!
Please help.
I got a machine gun, but it only has like 30 rounds, so I need to... Is that a machine gun? It's a rifle. Uh-oh.
It's a rifle.
Jack is still here. I made a boo-boo about
don't
guns.
Don't let Jack catch you saying that. The M4A1 rifle, that is not a machine gun.
Shame on you. You don't know nothing. You noob.
There's an herb out here. I don't know.
Herbage. Okay,
Sweet-
we're good here.
Sweet herbage.
I'm gonna take the herb actually. Oh, no, never mind. Out of here.
I'm running away.
T-shaped passageway. I don't care what shape it is. It could be a W for all I care.
Yeah,
T-shaped.
The X-shaped
But they have to
passage.
name every single area. That's why the loading screens.
That's a lot of first aid sprays, right?
I know, right?
Zombie way up ahead.
Yeah, we don't
Close
need
the
we
door
don't need
right
to deal
here.
with. Yeah, let's take a look at this door. We're over here, Amy. There's a zombie right behind you, Amy.
We got an office.
Oh, you brought the zombie with you. Hold on. Two of them. Two zombies. Watch out. Run.
Somebody shoot them with bullets.
Here we go. I can't see because the camera angle is messed up. I can't see.
What percentage are you guys at in your viruses?
There's something on the table here.
38.
What is this?
What do you have, Loggy?
I am at 37.
Oh!
There's something shining on the table, but it says nothing useful. Recovery medicine. Oh, good.
Oh, there's a zombie underneath fighting me a lot. I need somebody with a gun to shoot him.
Where are you?
By the door.
Oh, there you are. I'm looking for stuff. Hold on. There has to be something here. I'm missing something for sure.
What about in the...
What about in the locker? I better not touch it, it says. Locker is connected. Nothing to see.
There's really nothing in this room?
Okay, cat. I hope it's not cringy. I hope we're not making you cringe. And facepalm.
I've already memorized
What about this computer? What does it say? Nothing useful here. Okay. Alright, so there's nothing. There's nothing in this room.
Windows 95. I'm not gonna touch it.
Windows 95. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Out. I heard that. Jack was like, I heard that. It's an M4A1 assault rifle.
I knew it.
What's that noise?
I'm gonna go in this door.
Let's go this door.
Brave Mark with no bullets will lead the way.
Yeah, you're abusing the fact that we do have ammo, huh?
Yep. You better protect me or I'm gonna cry.
Ammo, handgun ammo or something here. Hold on.
I think that's your ammo. I think it's rifle ammo.
Rifle ammo. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm too fat to fit in that locker.
Handgun round.
That's racist, I think.
That's racist. That's fattest.
That's fattest against their fat kind. Is this book something?
What about this? What's all this? Did you guys pick up any key items? Nothing? Still nothing?
Nah.
Oh wait, this says something about the V poison we need. We don't have enough V poison for the compound. I vaguely remember there being a wasp nest in the emission tower, but I shouldn't just recklessly wander over there.
I figured, yeah, that's where we need to go. We are gonna go there soon. Now, follow me. Okay, we're done from this room, I think. I'm just gonna make sure that there's nothing else. Real quick. I wish I... Oh, he's gonna go in there. Why?
hey, Vloggy, stop hiding in the closet. All right?
He just goes in. I mean, I'm not trying to be funny.
He just goes in on his own. That's what they all say.
Whoa!
What's that sound?
The snoring.
Oh, is that Bosco?
I was supposed to lead the way, but everybody took off.
I was like, I thought that was a zombie.
Guys, are you on the T-shaped passageway?
Yes.
Okay, follow me.
O-shaped passageway.
Okay, follow me, guys. This way. This way? Yes, this way. Over here.
Yeah, there's a ladder.
You see this? You see this?
No.
Over here.
Oh, following behind.
We're crawling through holes now. That's how we roll.
That's
Air
how
exhaust
we
tower
roll.
inside wall. Okay. Ooh, I know where we are. Ooh. Okay, get ready, guys. Get ready, guys. This is not fun. There we go. Just make a run for it.
Oh, fucking hell.
Oh, okay. We got
Keep them busy, Amy. Keep them busy.
yeah. Like those last I believe in you.
All right, we have to go through here now.
Help me, please!
I think you killed it. There's no more.
I hear it though.
I'm just gonna stay here until Amy crosses. Oh, I see it! Guys, go through! Go through real quick! I see it! I saw the shadow! Alright, storeroom.
The shadow.
In the shadows!
Oh no, oh no.
I missed that
Crawl,
song.
fat boy, crawl.
Hold on. Let me handle this. I have
you got
this. True, where are you? Oh, he's coming. There he is.
I'm making my way.
Is there something here?
no.
There has to be something. There has to be a key item here. Come on, man. Come on.
Oh,
Oh.
passing him home down.
Did it do anything?
Yeah, I mean you revealed the passage.
Hole. Another hole.
I'm coming right behind you. We need to finish this scenario. This scenario is very challenging.
Right, okay. Puzzle.
Once we finish this, oh yeah, the electricity power thingy. I think I can do this, guys, if you want me to give it a shot.
Help me, I'm stuck in the vent. Help me.
Mark! Help!
Say help me, please.
Please help me! Help! Help me! Help me, please!
That's the one.
Yay! You did it.
You did it? Oh, that's nice. Nice.
Okay, I'm at 40%.
I got a lighter. I don't think we need the lighter though.
I don't think we need it.
Alright, this is just gonna unlock the door now. You guys ready?
Yeah.
No. That was weird. Looked like Vloggy's character unlocked it, but then Amy just ripped the door open
Yeah,
anyway.
that fee wasn't nice. The fee was
That's what
pretty-
she did. That's what she did. I unlocked the door, but then she opened it. Okay, let's go. There's another door, I think, here. Hold on. Yeah, we didn't go through this one.
Hey.
Help me, please!
Yep.
T-shaped passageway. We're back in the passageway.
Oh boy. Is it a
Okay.
lowercase T?
Good one. Now where do we go? What's over here? Nothing. Vending machine. Not very thirsty right now. Okay.
There's a whole hallway down here.
Which way is the hallway? This way?
Oh, there's like a creepy room there, and there's a ladder. Oh,
Yeah,
up
let's
the
go up the
ladder.
ladder. Yeah, let's go
Oh,
up the ladder.
ladder.
I'm just gonna follow Amy so I get an upskirt. I look at her upskirt.
Sounds like a plan.
Sounds like
And
a plan.
Amy's gonna follow me and look up my skirt. Perfect.
Yeah, I've got my head somewhere.
Yeah, that's very personal, but we're a close team.
Stilton.
Please help me.
Please help me.
Lose up door. Do not
Oh.
enter. Ah.
Do not enter. We're
Nobody tells
we're
me
badasses.
Ah.
Yeah, cheesy.
Oh no, this is it. This is it. Guys, this is it. Run.
What do you mean?
Run like crazy. And we have to go to the elevator. Run to the elevator. Run to the elevator. Run to the elevator. Run to the elevator. Quick. Go in. Go in. Go. Oh.
Get in. Get in.
Oh
I'm
my
in.
goodness.
Oh, there's one in here. There's one in here. Get in here.
Get in. Get in. Switch on.
Oh, push the switch. Push the switch. Push the
Push
switch.
the switch over there.
Somebody pushed it. I got knocked down.
Yes, I pushed it. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? Now it's gonna be, while we're going up, we're gonna get attacked by bees. I have my, my spray. I got my spray. I've got my spray. Equip. Alright, here we go, here we go.
I will shoulder bash.
I'm trying to use the bug spray. Ooh, it's working! It's working! Look at that!
Take that, Amy. Take that.
I used my bug spray. Hard to aim. That's hard to aim with the bug spray. You guys are doing a better job than I am.
Yeah. I'm
Shoulder
totally
bashing bugs.
shoulder
We did it though. Remember when we did this? We were dodging them, like running around. Remember, like going like, ah, help me, please!
Please help.
And we did it. We made it all the way up without dying, not without getting hit, but without dying at least.
Please help.
Is anyone poisoned, by the way? Oh,
Yeah.
Cindy, you are. Oh,
Oh, I got full mixed herbs here with blue, red, and green.
oh, okay. You should probably trade items or something.
Oh, never mind. I tried.
I'm not sure if there's gonna be more bugs out here. I'm not so sure. I don't remember.
I guess we should wait a
Oh
second.
yeah, you can just trade items here before we go out.
Well, should we make sure there's no bugs so we don't get poisoned again right away?
Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's smart actually. Yeah. We go. I still have my.
Good idea.
Like, I'm free of
Oh,
bugs.
there's more bugs here. Yes.
Oh, yeah,
I took a right. I
bugs.
took a right. I took a right.
I'll take a right too.
Yeah,
Just,
me too.
Oh, I'm going up the stairs. I'm going up these stairs. There's stairs. Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs.
oh, that's like the whole hive situation.
Oh, fucking hell, it's got me.
Oh, see, that's... Ow,
I'm
ow.
taking the first door. I'm in. I'm going in.
And
Wow, I can't
any door
believe.
that's not with a bunch of wasps, I'm happy.
I am so good at looking after myself.
Damn.
Vloggy's so good at leaving us to die.
All right, we're safe now. Okay, now we can
okay.
use the poison thing. Yes, that's good. That was smart.
Okay,
Actually, we have to
okay.
get out again. So, unless
Oh,
there's a
I
way
guess
out
we
from
should wait
here.
a second.
Unless there's a way out from here. That's a door.
no.
Magazine here.
Was that an assault rifle?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll take that. Thank you very much.
What percentage are you guys at?
I'm 46.
What about you?
44.
No, I'm
Oh,
47.
Here, vlog, you can take this.
I probably should.
Take this.
I'm not
this
poisoned anymore, by the way.
Here.
Oh,
How?
nice. Yeah, how'd you do that?
I gave you my
I
spray.
had an antidote.
Oh.
Antidote.
You can keep the spray.
You're an
Actually.
antidote.
You can keep the spray actually.
Okay. Well, where'd my other item go? I traded it for something over here. So mistaken.
Sometimes you pick up an item and the one you drop goes the other side of the room. Sometimes it happens.
Oh,
Ah,
awesome.
weird.
Yeah, it's weird. Nothing useful here. Amy went through the door.
What's in
Let's
there?
find out what's behind the door over there.
What's behind door number 1?
Whoa, there's back square. Oh, we're outside again. Okay.
What's that door there?
What's in the box? Wait. Oh, we're here again. Oh, that's the door we came up from the sharks.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. No, there's no point in there. I'm
So should we go
confused
back in
now.
there?
I'm confused now. Where do we go now?
We didn't accomplish anything. We have to get like some poison stuff in here. We gotta go back in.
Yeah, probably. Let's go again. The area was really big. I think there was another door. Another door!
Yeah,
Get down!
I think we have to go where those bees were attacking us to their like hive area that we intentionally didn't go in because it's terrifying.
Okay, you lead the way through. I'm just gonna follow you now.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit!
you have the bug spray as well, so...
I do have the bug spray. Do I have to equip it?
yeah, you equip it and you just aim and shoot like a normal gun.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Security guard mark.
Unless you
Help
prefer I
please,
lead the way,
lead the
but
way.
I panic a lot, so...
Yeah.
I'm totally gonna save us all. Don't even worry about it, guys.
Ah, bees! Bees! Okay, I'm following through.
I think this is a way to do something or something. I don't know. Oh!
Bye! Bye!
I see shiny stuff.
Yes, I see,
shiny stuff
yes,
down there.
I
We
see
gotta
that
go down
too.
there.
Yes, I see that too. I'm going down there. I'm going down. There's a blue herb if you keep running straight.
Ow.
Oh right, we just did a circle.
That victory lap was intentional to find the items we needed, guys.
Ah, I get it. Oh, V poison! I got the V poison.
Yeah, there we go.
I have
Okay, let's get out of here now.
Can somebody drop that? Can somebody pick up the shotgun? The ammo I dropped, please. Can somebody pick up these ammo for me? Over here,
got
over
it?
here, over here.
I'm gonna lead
I
the
don't know where
way
it
in
is.
the cave.
Over here. Yeah, yes, please. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go back to where we came from. Up the stairs again.
Up the stairs. I'm gonna open the door for us because I want to make sure we're all safe. I'll just
You
hide
okay,
in this
Amy?
room.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm fine here in this room.
Now
with
the
no
item you
bugs.
I picked up, I'm gonna give it to
Have you gone
Drew.
up the stairs again or?
Yes, up the stairs and go through the door. Oh, I got hit. I hope I got poisoned. No, I'm fine. Let's go. Whew. Okay.
Hi James.
Here, Vloggy, why don't you give that to me and I'll combine them.
Yes. Here we go. Hold on. Present. There you go.
This is it.
Oh, damn it.
No, don't present now because he's gonna.
Ah, why are you presenting assault rifle magazine to me?
No, I need to take them.
There we go.
All right, I need the thing back.
Oh, wow, it doesn't
This
combine.
is it.
Okay, I just have to hold them.
Oh, really?
Damn it.
Oh.
That's annoying. Oh well.
All right, so
Okay, so we need...
from here
we need one
I know
more
the way
thing.
back. From here I know the way back again to the lab. So wait, do we
Well,
need
we don't want to go to the lab. We need P-base first.
We still need P-base. Oh man,
Oh my god.
where do we get P-base now?
Oh wait, it says since storage device is in the lab is out of order, samples being stored in basement tank.
Okay, so we need to go back to the elevator. Yes, I think so. All right. Oh, I know where there was the frogs things. Okay, I know where. Follow me, guys.
Oh,
No, the frogs.
Yeah, not the frogs, but yeah, we're gonna have to do that.
not the bees. Why the bees?
I know where. All right, now the frogs are a mess, but at least I have a lot of ammo. This way, guys. Actually,
Yes.
this way.
And
this way.
I'm in high
Over here.
spirits, so we're gonna be all right.
This way.
Oops. Wait, that way?
Oh wait, no.
Yeah,
I
I don't know why
don't
you're
think.
going that way.
No, I mean, this is the right way, but we're not gonna take the shark way. No.
Yeah, that's a really dangerous route to the
No,
elevator.
I don't want to do. I don't want to do that to True. No,
I don't feel like being eaten again.
I don't want to do that to True.
I would be so upset if I actually died to the sharks after going through all this.
Please help me.
Please don't feed me to the sharks, please.
Help me, please.
Oh, this way, over here.
Oh my
This
God,
is a
I'm-
shortcut over here. Oh look, grenade rounds, and there's something shiny here as well. What is this?
Yeah, I told you those grenade rounds. That's my
Mixed
that I
herbs.
created for the key earlier.
Yeah. And there's mixed herbs and there's grenade rounds, but I mean we don't have grenade launcher anyway, so. Okay, so let's go through this door. It's a shortcut over here.
It's a shortcut with extra sharks.
Okay, we're good. It's a very long scenario, is it?
Yeah.
Now then, let's check the oh, we're here. Guys.
Yeah, oh, damn it.
Okay, this way.
All the music started.
Yeah, the music started. Open the door. Out, 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 out. Follow me. Let's head to the elevator right away.
Yes, let's do that.
Oh man, the music. Again, it's not safe once again. Run!
Since Amy totally pissed off the tyrant.
It's all her fault. She triggered the tyrant.
Yep.
Not this way.
Yep. He was gonna be our friend, and he was just gonna play poker with us, and Amy was like...
At least he's not stalking us that much.
Yeah, that's, he must be on
But there
break.
was this one time, you guys didn't see it. There was this one time he bashed out of a wall. He destroyed a corridor. Like, my goodness.
I have to watch your stream later.
Yeah, you have to see that when I wasn't called the elevator. Yes. All right. So which floor do we take then?
Well, B4F. Oh, I'm taking anything.
I went before F. I went before F. That's it.
B4F.
I went before.
Okay. I don't think it's the right room though.
No, I think it is. This is the
Oh, this is
basement.
it.
might
Yes,
be-
this is it. Yeah.
I think it's in this room here, but it said we can't get in it. I think it's in this room though.
No,
I don't know how we get in
No,
this
I
room.
don't think it's this one. No.
I know what it is.
See, there's something. It's a laboratory. The P-base has to be in there. I just don't know how we get in. Amy,
Yeah?
how do we get in there? Use your Amy skills.
What aim is killed of those?
I don't know.
Okay, guys, wait
Like,
for me here real quick. I'm
oh,
gonna check. I'm
I
gonna
know
check
how we get
something.
in there.
Wait for me.
Blimey, blimey, blimey. I figured it out.
Look at you. Okay, I'm gonna go B2F real quick. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Alright, we'll hang out down here.
What's that room? Is that a room there?
I'm gonna shoulder bash Amy.
No, B2F is
There's
nothing.
a room there.
What? What room? Here? Yeah, that's the room I've been saying we need to get into because that's where the P-base is.
Ah, it won't open.
Yeah, that's why I said use your Amy skills.
Maybe we need to
You
go
hacked-
down in the
You
sewers.
hacked your PlayStation 3. You should know how to get in there.
Yeah, how? I can only play the game the same as you.
Did we
Actually-
get like a...
This happens right before 3, I think. This happens right before Resident Evil 3. Okay, guys, I found a new area here.
I don't even know where you are.
Go to B2F with the elevator. Go to B2F with the elevator, okay? And
Okay.
then you're gonna be next to George. You know George, doctor.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and take the sewers.
Wait, what?
Oh, yeah, the sewers.
Yes, I'm gonna wait here. I'm gonna wait here.
Wait, what floor are we going on?
To B2F. Once you get next to George, take the sewers.
Yeah.
I'll wait here. I remember coming here. Oh, there's a knife here. We don't need it, but
The shark. The shark.
the
Hey,
first
you
thing I
stupid
do,
guy.
the first thing I do when I finish streaming this game, I'm gonna check out your streams. First Amy's and then True's. Because ladies first.
There you go. And I shut my whip.
Thanatos, if you remember. Ah, yeah.
Okay, Amy's here. What about True? Where's True?
I am...
He's
That-
coming down, he was
Okay,
behind
he's
me.
coming. Okay. Alright, so I haven't walked, so I don't know what's around the corner, honestly.
Help me!
Oh wow, it's big here. That's a dead end here. Oh, there's something on the floor. Iron pipe. Never mind. I'm gonna follow True. He's going the other way. Let's see. what's over there.
Yep, there's a door here.
This is gonna lead us. This is gonna lead us next to the Gamma Hunters, definitely. And we need to be careful.
No.
But I have my assault rifle. Maybe we can take them out, all of them. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna hide behind you. Oh, zombie! Zombie! Zombie!
Watch
shoot.
out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Run! Just run! Never mind. Never mind the zombie. Let's just-
Elevator. Ladder.
Ladder. There's a ladder. Ladder. Let's go.
Ladder, up the ladder.
Ladder.
The
Check out my
ladder.
butt, Amy. Check out my butt. Oh yeah.
Is that your American voice? Oh, there's a zombie up the ladder. Zombie
Okay,
up
hold
the
on. I'll take care of
Oh
that.
my god, oh my god.
Please help!
There's herbage here if you want.
Sweet herbage.
Sweet herbage. What you drinking, buddy? Actually, it's just a mix of almond flavored thing.
You can't hear chocolate cookies, huh?
It's an almond mix, but it's a sugar-free thing. So
Chocolate cookies.
all
That
I
is
can
English.
have. Whoa! 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 He made her.
Ah!
I'm sorry. Go through this door. Go through this yellow door. Amy, yellow door. Hey, Dash. Welcome.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Hello,
oh my god.
Dash.
Where are you then? Where have you gone?
I'm going.
Go up.
I'm-
Go right. Go right.
Yeah, take a right and go through the yellow door. We're getting there. We're getting close to the.
Oh, you know what? There's handgun rounds. I'm gonna.
I'm
load
going
up
to
my-
whisper in your ears now.
Oh my god.
Hello, everyone. How are you?
Let's
It's a whisper. Okay. This way.
Here, Amy, you want some handgun rounds?
Yeah, go on then. Be pretty cool.
Move it.
Here,
Why are you standing still?
take them. Take them from me.
Where are you? Where are you?
And the little
Over
corner
there, over
here,
there, over there,
right,
over there. Here.
right when you go past the door.
Ah, right. Wow,
Mark!
thank you very much.
My friends' names are
Mark!
and.
Cindy!
Hey!
Yeah, I made sentences.
Vloggy's English is so good.
Help!
Help me, please!
Help me!
Please help me.
Guys, we're getting close to the thing.
Cindy.
This is where we got separated last time. I told you, take the yellow door, but you didn't. And then you guys died. You guys got swallowed whole.
We got swallowed whole. Yeah, that was.
I think this is it.
that was
I
a
think
rough-
this is it.
a rough go.
This is it. Oh man, I don't like it. Hold on, can I go down here? Iron pipe?
I don't
No.
think that's a good. Not a good idea. Amy, where be you?
I'm coming through now.
Guys, we need to memorize the spot, okay? This is the way we need to go back again, alright?
Yeah.
We need to grab the P-base from one of the tanks where the Gamma Hunters are and make our way back. Now I'm thinking maybe we can just start shooting them and kill them all. I don't know. Or they're just
I
gonna keep
think
spawning.
running is probably better.
Alright, now then. Oh, what's
Where's
behind
the
this?
P-base?
I don't know, let's check out this door first.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Oh, the P-base is over here, guys.
Be careful. Be careful. If you can grab
I'm
it.
not gonna go because it triggers them.
What is this place? I haven't been here.
I'll just hang out here.
What is
There's
this?
There's no.
I don't see
There's no
anything
gamma
useful.
radiation here yet.
What's on the floor? A spray?
I'm just playing 007 over here, guys. Don't mind me.
Oh, you're doing the thing? You're crossing? Oh, grenade launcher!
Launcher, do you want it?
No, I got the thing. You have it, and then I know where the rounds are. We can go back for the rounds.
Hang on a second, then I'm gonna have to get rid of something.
Actually, it's true. Do you think you can go get the B base and come back on your own?
Yeah, but it's gonna trigger all of them, just so you know.
Okay, yeah. We need. You're gonna need some help. I'm coming.
Yeah, I have 15 rounds. That's all.
You're gonna need some help. I'm coming. Oh, there you are. Okay, hold on. Is there anything else before we proceed? What's over here? No, dead end. Okay.
The frogs are gonna eat us.
Maybe I should go get it.
Well, if you want.
Hang on. Do I have? No, I don't have item
It's
slots.
probably easier if I grab it and you just cover me. then you'll have to
all right,
give up on your
all
item
right.
thing.
Do you have? You don't have opening slots though. You don't have open
Nah, I'm
slots.
just gonna give up an herb. I'll just
Use
leave it
the herb
back,
actually, because you're on caution. Use the herb.
Oh yeah, there we go.
All right, grab it and out.
Here we go. Nothing could possibly go wrong. Just picking up a key item in a Resident Evil game. Oh,
There it
wait a second.
comes.
Wait a second.
Oh my god, oh my god,
There they come. I hate these hunters.
oh my god,
There's so many variations of hunters.
oh my god.
Aren't you supposed to be so nice?
And why are they at the underground of a university?
Yeah. Nobody ever checked the basement of this university for giant biohazard weapons.
The sound they make.
The
All right,
The janitors weren't checking,
all right.
obviously.
Grab it and out.
Grab and out.
Grabbing out. That sounds like me.
Whoa,
Ow.
whoa, 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 whoa! Why don't I have your back? Why don't I have your
Oh,
back?
wait a minute. This is not the P-base. This is like just a key with a red item.
Let's go. Never mind. Let's go.
Oh, wait a minute.
grab
I'm
it and
turning
let's go.
around.
Oh,
Turn
oh,
around.
they're coming! They're coming!
I can't escape. He's blocking my way.
Okay,
here.
let's go. Move.
Frog, if you don't move.
Run. Oh, run!
Oh,
Run.
he's right by me.
Run. No, not that way!
Follow Vloggy. Don't go that way.
Let's go.
That shoots you. Whoa, that's
This door. Amy, stop shooting and run.
Wait, so where do we use this stupid key? Where's our... Oh. Wait. No. I was gonna say let's use it on that room, that laboratory, but it says the door won't open. What?
Keep running! It's not safe
key
here.
Says water tank.
Keep
It says water
running!
tank. I think we need to go back in. Oh my god! Oh
I
my
told
god,
you
oh
keep
my god.
running.
Yo.
Where are you?
You make your way
Amy,
back.
where
Make your
are
way
you?
back. The way we came from. Where are you,
Hey,
Amy?
I've just killed him and you've run.
I told you run. Don't kill. Just run.
The plan was run.
Exactly.
You went against the plan.
You went against the plan, the master plan. Do I come back for you, Amy? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
You want me to
Wait,
come back for you?
I'll be fine. I'm just reloading. I don't know where I'm going now.
I'll come back for you. Hold on.
I'll secure this hallway.
You secure that hallway.
Style.
Yeah.
Let me move, free sucker. Oh, there's Amy.
Ah, there you are. There you
I don't see you, Amy.
Free
Where are
zombie
you?
scum.
Where are you, Amy? I don't see you.
She come back, Vloggy. She ran right in as you ran out.
Really? Oh, man. Alright, stay there. I'm coming.
are. Yeah. Don't
I
give
think
up.
we have to go back in and use this key though.
You think so? You think it's...
Well,
oh,
it says water tank on the key, so
yeah,
I
think,
mean-
yeah, you're right. Oh, you know what? You guys are right. You're right, true. I see the area where you need to go. Where we need to go.
Yeah.
I see the area.
Come back in.
I see a hunter. Oh my goodness!
kill him.
All right, guys, let's meet up where the tank was and where Amy shot all of them right away.
Okay, I'm coming.
Because the area's clear then. If she shot them, I'm assuming.
Don't worry, Mark is here to save the day.
No! Oh no, they're still dead. I thought they were still alive. Okay, good. Okay, so let's not take the water because oh, there's more coming! Run, 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 run! There's more coming. There's more coming. I see them.
Go across.
We need to get on the pipe.
Can we go across
Can
the
we
rail?
fight?
Yeah, but don't because I saw them hunting. No, 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 no,
Oh,
no.
damn it! I just got on.
Don't,
Get down.
just get down again.
Get down.
No, because I saw them swimming. That's the thing.
Okay.
Should I go into the water? Oh, there he is!
Ah, shoot him! Kill him!
He's done. He's done.
Okay. Okay.
But
You guys
the problem is this.
go for it.
I don't know if there's more. I don't know if there's more. I don't know if it's safe to cross. You
We're gonna be
guys.
all right. I believe in us.
Because every little thing is gonna be alright.
All right.
Oh, he come! Oh my goodness! They got back up! All of them! All of them! They all got back up!
Vloggy, you definitely need to run.
No! 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 Come on! That's not fair! Oh my goodness! It's always true! It's always true! Oh my goodness! Just run! Amy, just run! Get out of the room! Get out of the room!
No, I can't leave you, vlogging.
Okay, how do we shoot them?
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, trying to eat me!
Oh!
Trying to eat me! Oh my god! Oh
I'm
my
gonna
god.
make a run for it, I think. Bye, guys!
Oh!
Guys.
He's trying to eat me! He's trying to eat me!
Can you make it, guys?
That's pretty cool. This frog is trying to eat me. He's
No,
really
no,
trying to
please
eat
don't die, True. Please don't die.
me. Oh, you guys left me here to die.
Oh, don't say that. I'm trying to get this thing done.
There are 2 frogs.
All right,
raping
here's
me.
what. Here's what. True,
They
true.
are raping
Just
me.
don't come across. Just make your way back. Just go back. Just go back. Don't worry about it.
They're literally blocking the stairwell.
Where?
Oh my god. Oh my
Okay,
god.
save
I'm
yourselves,
fine.
guys. Get out of there.
Whoa.
I think I almost
Whoa.
got the P base. I think I got the P base. I think.
You got it?
Well,
Oh,
I mean,
Jesus,
I made it
Amy's
across.
shooting me with grenades.
Wait, I just
Oh,
realized.
sorry,
Actually, True. You're the one that has the key. I can't go anywhere. You're the one that has
Oh
the
my
key.
god. You guys have to cover me while I go across.
I was trying to shoot whatever was like trying to get you.
Yeah. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Okay, I got the room. Oh, I got the room where we need to go
Oh,
into.
Jesus, there's 2 of them right there. Oh wow.
No, it's not. Hold on. No,
That's
this is not the
horrible.
right room.
totally
Assurance
gonna kill
quality testing room. Hold on,
Okay,
because
I'm coming across. I'm coming across. Screw it. YOLO, YOLO, baby.
I'm coming. YOLO. All right, let's.
They totally knocked me off. They totally knocked me off.
Oh
I need a lot of help.
no!
I'm gonna die. I'm totally gonna die.
Yeah, they came back up. That's the weirdest thing. We killed them. They were down, but they came back up. Oh, True. Stay there. Maybe we can lure them towards you over here, and I can shoot them from here.
Ah!
Hold on. Stay there.
Oh yeah, you're hitting them. You're hitting
Exactly. My gun's empty. My gun's empty. I need to reload. Combine.
them. Oh, okay. They're down for now. I'm going across.
They're actually. I think they're bleeding now. My goodness.
All 500 pounds of
Oh,
work-
oh! Wow, they keep coming back.
Don't worry, I'm super in shape, guys. We're gonna be all right.
There's another one. That's not accounted for. We only see 2 here, so there must be another one somewhere. Oh my goodness, I can't believe we made it this far. We're at 60. I am at 64%.
Yeah, I'm at like 60.
I'm at 59.
Where's
Coming.
True? Is he coming?
I'm coming. I'm on the second pipe.
No blue herb stops the virus temporarily.
No. Mark is on caution, huh? We need to give him an herbage.
I have herbage on me. I can use it.
Oh,
I
you
was
do?
just
Oh,
waiting
yeah.
till I got here.
I hope this is the room, actually.
Help me, please!
What's upstairs?
I don't know, but I think this is where we need to go because it says water assurance something. So I'm assuming this is where the tank is.
Yeah, water
I think.
tank. Yeah, water tank.
This is water assurance something, and I'm assuming.
Oh,
You see, they don't have faith in you in chat. One was like, he's like, True is gone. He's back. He made it. He made it.
Oh,
In your faces.
you can't kill Mark. He's invincible.
You know what I was thinking? If you want, guys, I can send you the little images. You know how I have the little Kevin on the side, at the bottom of the screen.
Yeah.
If you want, I can send you the ones for your character, so you can put them at the corner of your screens of your stream. So, yeah,
Where do I use this?
Where's Amy? Where's Amy?
I'm coming in.
Oh, down here?
Oh, is that it? Wow. I'm gonna check the
I forgot
control
about.
panel real quick. What's this? Hold on, there's stuff here. What is this?
Oh, no.
Oh, antivirus. Yes, please, I'll take it.
Oh, that's oh boy, running back inside.
What's over there?
Bad guy.
What kind of bad guy?
Frog bad guy.
How many was there?
Oh, face, yeah.
Just one on the tunnel.
I'll
I'm
handle
gonna
it.
use this herbage here. I'll take this first aid spray.
That was my twat!
Alright, I'm gonna...
You have it, don't worry, you have it.
You guys ready? Let's go get him.
I got some, it's fine.
You guys ready? Go get the frog?
Yeah.
Go get
Let's
him, guys.
go.
Go fight him. I'll just be behind you here, providing moral support.
Alright, let's do this.
Cheers says he didn't like you. Screw his face.
Let's run.
Oh, I see you can mix
This is the
sweet
door,
herbage
look.
here. There's a red,
This is
there's
it,
a
it's
red and a
locked.
green.
It's electronically
Okay,
locked! Oh no.
Wait, that's not good.
It's electronically locked. No.
Yeah, my key doesn't work here.
Alright, maybe up the ladder where Amy was going earlier.
Yeah.
Let's go where Amy was going, up the
Alright.
Man, this map is gigantic. This mansion is gigantic.
What is this? We got
Ooh,
three
this-
too. We're gonna like turn into zombies here.
It's electronically locked.
What, this door?
No.
Oh.
Maybe we can do the control panel thing or something. Yeah, and unlock it.
Oh, I thought we were going up that ladder.
Yeah, let's go up that ladder. Yeah, let's go. Let's go up the ladder. Up the ladder.
Oh, well, the frogs are back alive.
No
here.
way. No
They
way.
got back up. They got back up.
No way. They keep getting back up. They're invincibles.
Invincible.
They're invincibles.
invincible.
They are back up. Let's get out of here. Out.
Yep.
But at least they're on the other side. It's gonna take them a while to reach us. Let's go. Up the ladder.
Okay. Oh, this is where are we?
Back at the square. What? No.
That's not
I
helpful.
think it's on the other side of the square.
Is it?
Is there a locked door here or something?
It's not the other side, is it? No, it's
Is it
this
not?
side.
We can't use that door.
There's the grenade rounds if you want them now. We're next to them. Oh man, where do we go now?
Well, it's gotta be down there somewhere, right? Water tank?
Hold on. There was a door that was locked. I know. Hold on. I'm trying to think. Guys, follow me. It's a wild guess. I don't know. We'll see.
Alright.
I'm gonna wait for Amy. Alright, there we go. I know. I think. Well, I have a guess. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, Juan. Take care. See you, buddy. Thank you so much for hanging out.
One. Adios.
Alright, this way. Oh, wrong door. But it's fine. It's fine. We can handle it. We have to go to the elevator once again. So just run now, because the tyrant could be here. Oh, the music! He has to be here. He's here. He's definitely here.
Wait a minute. Still on behind. Are you in the main hall?
Yes, main hall and go. You know. Oh, I'm very close to him. Oh, he didn't see me. Go.
Ah!
You guys okay?
Yeah.
I don't know where you guys went.
Take the door to the elevator. Take the door to the elevator.
Okay.
From the main hall. And we're
Someone in
gonna.
my chat said that we need to go down the sewers with the red key.
Oh!
I went to B4F. Exactly, that's where we're going. B4F.
Wow, Tyrant's a jerk. He's ridiculous camera
I
angles.
have a guess at this room, I think. It's this room, I think. This one. B4F. Yes, this is it. There's a water tank, in fact. I see it.
Coming.
It has to
Thank
be
you,
this one.
Jane.
It has to be this one.
Oh my god, he followed me in. What a
Yes.
jerk. What a
B4F. It has to be this room. You see? There's a big tank in there. I see it.
Please help!
jerk.
Yeah.
Oh.
The door
Cindy.
is tightly locked. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Can't use
Cindy.
it on here.
Totally. Tyrant totally kicked me in the balls. Not
Don't you think
cool.
this is the room? True.
Yeah.
Has to be.
the
Come on, let's try.
Open it.
let me see. No, the red key doesn't work. I can't use it.
Are you kidding me? Okay, I don't know. I'm out of guesses.
Gotta go down
Let me
the
check the
sewer.
map real quick. Hold on.
What's it? Access waterway.
I don't know.
Let's go down here.
Hey, Pickled Onion. Let's go where Amy went. Hey, Pickled Onion.
Pickled onions. Ooh.
Yeah, exactly, Cat. That's right. Alright, I don't know. I'm lost now. What? Why are you going back? There's nothing there?
Are we just
Ooh,
going down here to hang out
spooders.
with spiders? I don't want to hang out with them. They're not
No.
Amy. Oh, make up your mind, guys.
I just saw the spider disappear.
Alright,
Alright, let's
hang
go.
out up here. Are we doing it?
I'm doing it now. I don't know what we're doing.
No,
Oh! She took a leap at me, the spider.
Chase Amy. She
Didn't
totally
like
the one
that
you want
one.
to kill.
Yeah.
Oh, she likes you too. Yeah,
I will
chase
caution
them. They
them.
totally
Outta here.
talk shit about you.
Man, what do we do with that key? Do we Google it real quick? Perhaps?
I tried googling it, and hold on.
Hang on.
Cover me while-
What is this
cover me
place?
While I Google.
Typical trolley. Can I get up? Drew is Googling.
Come on, guys. Come on. Let's move it. We're gonna die soon.
Oh, no, I'm good. I'm 68%. We're good.
I'm not.
What are you at?
A lot percent.
A lot percent.
It
I go-
drops you with a red tag.
Should I go to the men's room real quick? Is there time? No, I'll just wait for the show.
Guys, where are you?
We're still at the entrance. We're just waiting for Drew to look it up.
Is he dead?
No. He's just looking it up. Looking up the. Maybe I'll just dance.
Yeah, there you go. Water.
Oh, 70%. Nice.
Did we release water tank door lock?
No.
Water tank door lock. No.
It says water treatment. As you step in the room, there's a blue herb, 2 more gamma hunters. Kill them. Climb up the ledge that leads to the computer console. Activate it to unlock the water tank door lock, which is on the other side of the fence from where you're standing.
Oh.
So we gotta go back down to that whole area where we're fighting them and I was being eaten alive.
Oh man,
Alright.
lovely.
and fight them all again and stuff.
Alright, so which way from here? I forgot now. I'm lost. I mean, we can keep going this way. No, but this way is gonna be longer way. This is a long way this way. Let's go this way.
Alright.
Man, not good. So we have to go back to.
Yeah,
This spider!
Whoa! I'm at 76%. Burn in hell, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. Ooh, the spider
Oh,
squoosh.
poison.
Ah, just got me. Now I'm poisoned. Fantastic.
No.
No, I'm starting to think we're not gonna make it.
Yeah, we are running low on time here.
Yeah. I don't know where we need to do. Where we need to go. Let's go back to the main entrance, the main hall. Okay. And from there, we have to take that door.
I think we need to go down to the sewer.
Sewer. Which one? B to F? Yes, let's go B to F actually. Let's go B to
Oh,
F.
yeah.
Sorry about that. If I didn't say that on time. B to F. Sorry. But this is great, yeah.
Turn into zombies.
And from here, we go to the sewers.
Yeah.
If anybody has blue herbage, please, because I'm poisoned.
I got a first aid.
Oh, hold on,
Dude.
hold on. I think he has something. Oh, nice! I found it. I found one.
Oh, is that that's my old mix?
Yeah, exactly. I took it.
traded.
Thank you. I took it now.
Nice.
Hey, Eldon, welcome. We're playing some Resident Evil Outbreak. File 1. With Mr. Drew and Miss Amy. Where you guys at? Well, there's only one place you can go from here, eh?
Yeah.
These sewers remind me of Resident Evil 2.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Amy is all up in my butt here. Gee. Oh my God! Two zombies! Two zombies! Back up! Back up!
Oh, I see them. Hold on, I'm coming.
Okay, we took care of business.
Yeah.
You guys rock. There I am.
You don't worry about. Oh, there's an herb there for.
I'll take it if. Oh, okay.
No, you have it.
You sure?
You have it.
Amy's got a
Yeah.
bird.
No, you're on caution. You take it, Amy.
I've got herbs in my little stash.
I have a purse.
Oh what?
Maybe she has a purse, I think. Alright, let's go. Let's follow through.
Okay.
Ready,
Oh,
Amy?
zombie. Oh, he's biting me.
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming! Wait for me, man!
I'm at 80%.
Oh,
And I'm out of ammo.
we're gonna lose True.
No,
Oh,
no,
poison.
no, no. What?
How did I get poisoned? I didn't get anything. I didn't get hit by a spider while I'm poisoned.
Now, where do we go from here?
Oh, wow. I don't know. How do we get to the stupid sewers?
Was it this way? I think it was this way.
Yeah, one of these yellow doors does it, right? What's up, Dada Row? Dada's back in the house.
Hey!
Hey, Dada.
Did I lose you guys? Where'd you guys go?
The yellow door?
Alright, I'm coming.
On the right?
They're both yellow, actually, but I know which one you mean.
Oh, well, yeah. Oh, yeah, here we go. This is the way. This is the way.
This is the way!
This is the way. Don't worry.
Low.
Alright, we gotta do this. Super
Which way did
speed
you go
run
now? Oh, I
combat.
see the door open. This must have been where you went.
And I have no bullets, so protect me. Super. Oh, run away! There's a frog. There's a frog. There's a frog.
Yeah, there is frogs here.
I'm trapped on a door. I'm trapped on a hinge. Ow, ow,
Oh,
ow.
oh, oh, oh!
They just come back to life.
They just come back. They don't die for good. They just come back.
Yeah, but you gotta knock them down, otherwise they'll knock you off the pole. Oh,
Now,
I
which
hear
way?
him. I hear him frogging in here.
You hear a frog
I don't know.
frogging.
It's somewhere in this room that we
Maybe
have to do
this.
some control
No,
panel
this
thing.
way.
We've been this way.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Containers.
Okay.
Kill them all. Yep. Hey, please
They're
help.
gone for now. Hold on, guys. Now the water are safe to swim into, actually. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, he's coming back!
He's back up. Don't go in the water. I don't
Why
think
are they
so.
coming back?
Go in the water.
I'm not swimming in any water.
Yeah, that's a bad idea. Jump across.
Oh,
I
hang on,
found-
what's this?
That's the key.
Alright, okay. Well, we've got to make our way back over.
We do that?
We have to find some computer here that opens up with something with something.
I'm expecting them to get back up once we halfway.
Yeah. It's a race, Vloggy.
I'd totally
It's-
protect you, but I have no ammo.
Oh my goodness.
I'm totally not going to.
I feel like we went into that room for nothing. It's like there was nothing in that room. I don't know why.
Alright, going across the ledge then. See.
Are you sure there's nothing here? Hold on. Doesn't feel right.
I don't know, I don't see anything.
Frogs are back! I'm kidding.
Hey!
Hi, George. Welcome back.
Hello, George.
What up, George?
Help me, please.
Help me, please, help!
Please help me.
Help me, please! Help me, please! Help! Help me, please! Help me!
Let's go.
But Truzy, help me is the best one. Help me, please, help me, please!
Where is this mystery control thing here?
I'm going to go in here and have a look.
Yeah.
We must have missed something now, I think.
Yeah, we missed something somewhere.
Let me check the map again. According to this, there's a locked door here. According to the map. Yeah. But it was electronically locked, we said, yes?
Yes, I remember now. Oh,
This looks like it. This computer panel I'm seeing looks. Oh, there's an assault rifle magazine.
Yeah, but it's empty. I dropped that one.
This computer here. This looks like the computer that I'm seeing on this walkthrough that says where you change it.
So strange. And it says nothing useful, eh?
Yeah.
not letting us do anything.
I'm gonna go back here real quick. But no, I mean, this is gonna lead us to that frog with an electronically locked door. I don't get it.
Oh wait, no, that's no that's not it. That's not what it is.
Is he gonna get back up?
Oh yeah, totally poison.
Oh my god!
So weird.
Yeah.
I hope I can.
We need to do the P base anyway, don't we?
Yeah.
Maybe we can smash the door open, perhaps.
No, that's definitely the door that we need. Where is this stupid control panel?
Oh! Oh, I think they're swimming this way, the frogs. From the other side.
That's not the control panel. That's stupid.
I'm gonna do a few attempts at this door. I don't think it's gonna work.
I don't think so.
Weird, that one. Well, there must be a reason why we've got quick access to the beginning.
I don't know. We're not
We're
gonna
gonna
make
die
it.
soon. I think we might have lost Truth.
I'm alive.
Alright.
I'm just looking at pictures trying to figure out where this stupid thing is.
So it doesn't say which door you have to open with that. With that
No,
key.
I can't find where I actually use it. Like they list you getting it.
I wonder.
It says it drops a key with a red tag. Okay, got that.
I'm at 80%. My goodness, we're not gonna
You
make
regain
it.
control, grab it, move across the bridge. Pop the gamma hunter with a couple of grenade rounds, exit the passage B. As you step into the room, you notice a blurb on the floor. There are 2 more hunters there. Kill them and move across the narrow bridge that cuts across the room. When you've dealt with them, head forward and climb up the ledge that leads to the computer console. Activate it to unlock the water tank door lock, which is on the other side of the fence from where you were standing. Exit the room and return to the water purifying facility. So, I don't know. Oh wow, I'm like super hurt.
He's coming back up.
Oh my god! Did you find it?
Whoa, whoa!
Go now!
It's weird how I'm fine. I'm on fine, but it's yellow fine. Interesting.
Yeah, same here. I'm on yellow poison.
This is weird. I don't know what to do next. I really
I'm
don't.
on 88% as well, too.
We're not gonna make it.
You're not poisoned anymore.
Oh, not? Oh, nice.
I don't know what to do.
Oh,
I'm so lost.
I know. Where's the map?
Here's something.
I don't know. How do I cross? Ah, over here. I'm gonna try getting across. I don't know.
Someone said backtrack a couple of rooms. Jane 2 you said backtrack a couple of rooms.
Backtrack a couple of rooms. Through the same way we came from.
Help me, please!
Help me!
Please help!
Help!
Cindy.
Wait a second.
Hold on, guys.
You are so slow. True.
I haven't been working out lately.
And actually, and Amy's overtaking me slowly. Look,
Yeah,
she's
quick.
fast. It feels like we're missing something big time. Oh, they're back. My goodness. No, why are you crossing? We're back.
Oh, so no.
I wouldn't cross if I were you. No. Not
I don't
good.
have any ammo
No
to, like,
bueno.
help you.
I mean, I can't reach them from here anyway.
I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it.
You're gonna make it because I'm shooting it from here. Ooh, hold on.
Oh, that was so close. You almost died in the water. Amy, see if there's anything over there.
Okay, you go next. True, you go next. I'll cover your back.
God, there's one right there.
I got your back.
You can't cover me from the guy in the water, but I'm gonna go anyway. Oh, Vloggy, I think one just jumped up behind you.
Yeah, I saw him. I'm going after you. I don't care.
Man. Oh, this is
Oh, he's coming for you. Ooh, he missed.
Oh,
He
my
missed. He missed.
I juked him. Oh, Vloggy, watch out.
Oh, he got me.
Oh, Vloggy's going in the drink. Swim, Vloggy, swim.
Swim! Swim, bitch, swim!
I'm pressing X. You won't climb. Where do I climb?
No, you, go left, go left, go left.
Loggy!
Oh, Amy, he's coming upstairs. I'm about to die to be a zombie, so I'm just gonna run and try and find out where the stupid console is.
Okay, no problem.
My last few minutes of life here.
Loggy, where are you?
I'm trying to. Oh, I got grabbed and bye. Bye, have a great time. Oh, hey, hang on. No, I got out.
You can survive if you fight. If you fight him, you can live a little bit.
Because Stu said go left, but I went to the other left.
Loggy,
Yeah. I hear left.
Almost got it.
Bathroom, nothing.
I made it.
Let's get out of here. Wait, where are we going? Through here?
Please don't go anywhere. That's the bathroom. I don't know where to go.
Man, I still panic even though we're not gonna make it. I don't know why.
I'm at 92%. Well, not to betray you guys into a zombie.
We're gonna be zombified. Run. Whew, he missed.
Oh, there.
My
He's waiting
goodness.
for me. Move, jerk! He's just standing there blocking the door.
What am I gonna do? Where do I go? I don't know. You made it through.
Ah!
I'm alive.
Oh, there you are.
You have to find this stupid computer console.
You took off, Amy. Where are you? We're coming. Where's Amy?
Go straight ahead.
Straight ahead, she said. Straight ahead is this way. You're not gonna make it. I'm not going to make it!
Oh, I found a shed. I found a shed.
You found what?
Shed.
Found a shed.
A shed?
Yeah, I'm inside the shed too.
A shed doesn't sound like a place where there should be computer consoles, but...
It's true. Oh, there's a grenade launcher there.
Oh, another grenade launcher. Okay, that's something. That's a new room anyway, at least for somewhere new. We just gotta find this computer console before we die.
We're not gonna find it.
Well, we're not gonna win, but if we find it...
Yeah, if we find it, at least we know how to speedrun this thing. More or less.
Yeah, there's another door down here. Waterworks Administration Office.
Oh, that
that
sounds
sounds
like
lovely.
it. Is this it?
Oh, the P base is in here.
Oh, no way!
Oh, that's it?
We made it!
Just like that? What the hell's this key for?
I don't know, but dude... Oh, there it is! We were here! We were just here! We were in this room, no!
Come on, Mark, do your stuff. Before you die.
What am I supposed to do?
P-base in stock. I need a special container. Alright. I'll take the container. I know what to do. Okay. You got the container.
I just grabbed it.
Alright, put it in here.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, and then it does the thing.
It does the thing. Oh my goodness, are we gonna make it?
I'm just gonna
Well,
So
I'm definitely gonna
close.
die, but maybe you guys will make
Oh,
it.
the key for the red marking, it goes here.
Oh,
No way!
Yeah.
Oh my
Wait,
goodness,
okay.
we're gonna make it!
I got P-base. Where?
Mix.
I can mix it. I mixed it. Using key. I unlocked it.
I'm coming, guys.
Let's
I'm
go.
gonna-
95%. Totally gonna die.
Oh, guys, if we do this, we're not gonna make it anyway. But, I don't know, do you guys want to do another run, perhaps, of this?
Run.
I'm gonna have a rest at the moment.
Ow.
Hang on.
I'm just gonna run. Screw it. I
Run.
believe in nothing.
Where are you guys? What's going on here? Oh, where are we?
Releasing the door. I released the lock. I released the lock on the other side of the room.
Behind you, he's behind you.
Ow. He's got me from up top.
Oh,
My gun is empty. My gun is
I already
empty.
did it.
Oh, go!
Run away.
Amy, go down!
Ah!
Oh, wait, I don't know where that door is now. Where the hell did it go? How do we get over there? I don't know how we get over there.
I don't know.
Well, did we kill them?
Yeah.
Oh, there, he's back up. Hold on.
Well, that guy's still alive.
Not anymore.
How do we get over there? It's on that. There's a door right over here. Where is that door?
Oh, I know. Oh, he's coming back up again.
Back up. There's grenade rounds here.
I know. It's that door. Okay, I know.
Okay,
Follow
I
me.
grabbed them. Let's go.
90%. I'm at 90%.
I'm at 96.
Come on, we can do it. Come on.
At
hope so.
96, I mean 97.
Oh my
Use
goodness.
something just to pause it.
I
Yes.
got nothing. Is
I
this a
know
blue
where.
herb?
I know where.
Yeah,
I know
that'll
where.
help, That'll help.
Oh, there's-
pause it. The blue herbs
Alright.
help.
Okay, I used it. Oh, it did pause it, yeah.
Okay, let's go. I know where. Hey, Dandy. Nice to see you. Oh, we're about to fail this. Oh man.
We can do it.
I mean, we. Oh, zombie! Careful! Oh, he grabbed me. It's not what I needed right now. I'm bleeding. Oh, he grabbed me again. You son of a biscuit.
What zombie are you talking about?
Seriously, you don't see it? Wow.
I don't see any zombie.
All right, that sometimes happens. Thank you.
Where are we going?
But-
Where are we going?
Hold on. First aid
We
spray.
gotta run. We gotta run.
Run this way. Not the shed. That's the shed. Over here.
He's always trying to hang out in the shed.
Yeah, it's all about the shed. There's another zombie here, I think, because he's looking to the
Do
side.
it.
I saw
I'll
him.
take the hit. Go! Oh, I'm gonna totally turn into a zombie here. Oh, take the stuff. Guys, take all my stuff.
No, it's fine. Keep running.
No, I have the ingredients.
You can make it. We believe in you.
I have the ingredients. You need to take them.
All right, let's do this.
I'm gonna turn into a zombie in like 30 seconds.
Oh my god.
Here. Present. Take it.
Here.
99.
All right, I took it.
99.5.
What else?
Where are you?
Here.
Here.
I went in the room that you just left.
All right,
Oh,
back.
fuck.
Anything else?
One more.
Here.
All right, we're good.
Okay. I'm at 99.3. 0.30.
Go in this corner. Go over here so you don't hit anyone.
I'm definitely about to zombie it up. 99.50.
Thank you. We got all the stuff off him.
Yes, I did. Let's go. Let's go.
Grenade rounds. I want the grenade rounds.
You.
Oh, I had to drop those to pick something else up.
Oh, never mind. Okay, my gun is empty. I'm holding the gun for nothing.
Help.
I know where I need to go. You want to follow me, Amy?
Help me, please. Please help
Yeah,
me.
yeah, I'll
Help
follow
me,
you.
please.
95.
Help me, please.
Come on, wait. Let's go.
Bye, True. We'll miss you.
Oh, a zombie!
Bye, True. I'll miss you. I'll miss
Hey,
you,
we're
True.
still friends, right? Come here. I just wanna hug.
Okay, I know where we
Mr.
need to go.
Friendly.
Run. I know where we need to go. I'm gonna go unlock the door. Are you behind me, Amy?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm bleeding now.
Oh,
Oh my
crap.
God.
Oh, crap.
Hey guys, come on. Why are you running? I just wanted to.
No. I don't want to hug.
Oh shit! Well, come on. Teamwork, guys. Teamwork. Stick together.
Try and stick towards
The problem is I don't have
Oh,
money.
you
I don't have any more ammo now. I don't have any more ammo.
I'm gonna get my frog friend to come with me. She shut the door on me.
We can do this. We can do. I can't shoot. 94. I'm at 94%.
I don't know what I am. I can't see it, man.
Hey, where'd you guys go?
Oh, they're back.
Oh my god, it's coming back alive! It's coming back alive!
He missed.
No!
No!
Hey guys, where are
I
you?
can't protect you. I can't do anything.
You wanna hang out with me? Did you fall in the water?
She did. Can you make it back up, perhaps?
Hey, Amy, what's up?
Hi. Leave me alone.
Where you going?
I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I fell off as well. No.
Oh no!
I'm gonna give Amy a boost.
Oh, he grabbed me. He grabbed me, and he's swallowing. Okay, he let go.
Hey, Amy. Hey. Ow!
Oh, sorry.
Come on. I thought we were friends.
Oh, he grabbed me again. He grabbed me again. Oh, he let go. Okay. I'm not gonna
Just
do this.
wandering
We're not gonna make
around.
it. We're not gonna make it. We're not gonna make it.
Plug this thing.
Oh, yeah, I'm bait.
I,
Yes, you can go. You can go, perhaps. Although I have the poison thing.
you
The
have all the
T-base.
Yeah, Hey, get up here! Come on, Bloggy.
No, the doors are...
No, don't let me eat you.
I
Yeah,
died as a zombie. I'm dead to the world.
move, Bloggy, move.
Oh my goodness!
I'm gonna watch your streams now.
Oh, he's dead.
Okay,
I see Vloggy in the water.
The freaking...
Bloggy.
They won't die. They just won't die. I hate that.
Come on, Bloggy.
I'm at 98%.
Come on.
Oh, he's back up again! They just won't die.
Come on, Bloggy. Just get over here and give me that.
Dada. No! He's gonna do it again! He's gonna take a jump at me! Oh my goodness.
I got
He
it,
died.
I got
Okay,
it.
wow.
I got
At least you have
nothing
ammo.
left now, though.
I got. There's another one on the other side, huh? We're not gonna do it. I'm at 99%. This is not gonna happen.
What have you got? Can you give it me?
Yes,
Give it me.
yes. Present. Take. Come on.
Present yourself.
99%. 99.2.
Okay. Thank you.
Present. No. Where's more? Present. 99.3. Another one. Present. 99.4.
Okay.
All right, let's go. Maybe I can
Okay.
join you as well. Anyway, let's see.
Yeah, maybe you can like beat bait.
Yeah, let me go first. Wait for me to go first. Maybe I can be bait.
I don't know
Yes.
if- I'm wrong. Just keep running.
That's up to you,
Okay.
but.
Come on.
Oh, 99. That's it. Vloggy's a zombie. I'm still crossing though.
Oh.
I'm at 100%, but I'm still crossing. Once
That's like a...
once I land. No! You were so close. I told you let me go first. Oh, he grabbed you.
Oh.
Get me. Come on, get me. I am dead. Come on, get me. Get me, you fool.
Get me.
Because as long as I'm hanging, I'm still alive like this.
Damn it, damn it.
I'm trying to be a bait, but it's not working now. The moment I let go, though, I'm gonna turn into a zombie, so I might as well keep hanging here. Come on, fresh bait.
Come and get it.
Come and get it. Get them while they're hot. Come on,
Yeah.
man. Did you make it back?
Yeah.
Because I can hear footsteps.
How are you guys still alive?
I'm gonna try again. And he's gonna
It's funny how I've been on 100% for a while
There's
now,
no
but I'm
chance.
still conscious.
They're both on me now.
They won't come get me. Come on. Why won't they get me instead?
I'm listening to my sad game over music.
Oh, there they are. No, you're going the wrong way.
I can't get back that way.
Okay, let me see if I can
Get me.
distract them.
You're a zombie.
Yes, but still. I'm still conscious right now.
But still.
Maybe that's why they're not going after me, actually, because I'm in zombie mode here. Ooh!
Yeah, they're not
Come
gonna
get me,
attack you.
guys, come get me. Not right now. Maybe that's why. Maybe I'm already in zombie mode, even though... Yeah, they're completely ignoring me.
I might as well just let them eat me.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop myself.
We have to go! Help! Please, help! Help!
Bye, Cindy.
Cindy! Mark! Mark!
I can't let go. I have to drop myself.
There we go.
Oh, man. I'd love to give this another go, huh? Are you guys busy?
Yeah, I'm going to go and get something to eat, and Bosco is looking at me like as if to say, where's my food?
Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah, that's fine. This
thanks
was
very much.
so much fun. This
That
was
was so
so...
much fun, yeah.
We need to do this.
Good.
We need to do this.
We're gonna finish it.
We need to do this, definitely.
We will.
Are you going to carry on, you two?
No, I mean...
Oh.
We gotta stick together.
Yeah, we gotta do it as all of us, 3 of us. That's it. Doesn't count if it's just me and True
I
now.
was going to say I was going to watch.
No.
Yeah.
Well, unless you wanna go, you wanna give it a go, True.
No, I'm gonna head out
That's
too. I gotta eat.
That's
Get ready.
Look at mine. He's like,
Anyway, I'm going to go now, guys.
See ya. See ya. I'm gonna go too.
Please like and subscribe. Love you all.
Thanks everyone who joined us for the stream. Thank you, True, for playing with me. Thank you, Amy. And I'll see you guys next time. Ciao.
Oh yes.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now. See you next